Welcome to Thursday morning.
Okuma Radio 97.1. For 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. All you done from mama, all you done from mama, all you done from mama, on the new better, all you done. Jesus, Lord.
Welcome to Thursday morning. Welcome to Thursday morning. Welcome to Thursday morning.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Fire, 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 fire burning in my soul.
Thank you for making it special. We are together forever.
Okuman Radio, ayo number 1 by ba kope, obekwa apemu antama, anka yenim ne wobetuma ya man. Yeso nya kupo nhyira ne ahoden, se nyuma pa, won afi atitu anamon, won koso, na won tusa anamon. Okuman Radio, wobesen edikan fo no. Okuman Radio, ayo kapon ba kope.
You are good and so down, from the east to the west. Oh my God, you're the best. I will lift up your name. I am King of Kings, Lord of Lords. You're the greatest in the world. From the north to the south, you are good and so down, from the east to the west. Oh my God, you're the best. I will lift up your name. I will lift up your name. Jehovah, you are wonderful.
Yes, media man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Welcome to Thursday morning.
Just about 14 minutes to 8 on your station. A lovely Thursday morning, I should say. I can be Pentamark on Friday. Hey. I miss you guys so much. I know you also do miss me. We are here for God and Country. It's a lovely Thursday morning, the 27th of April, 2023. And a person rock on for us, and I'm crying at Baby Yanko and say, Obia no one say, near a pet and an oje, Oko Ketesuko died at the one, sorry, I'll be the question, bay. Busia Penny was off for cat kids, Obia to miss anyway. I said, I'm crying at the man on the pay, and then I say, the crackers got down a horse, so for my buffalo boy, who by the action. Such a matter of you, Mojo, dear more for Sanya. Yeah, I said, Daniel, Yinias, and come for an tonton. Yes, we know na man is wrong. I for him. Yes, we. Ana pesa ko ya sabi ahodo ko ni nipa ayegu ho a. Obisa se na me ne hina. Me cry me ne hina me ti ase kakra ne ubotum e mane ha ade achi setie bia won sabe ko wa no. Woni nipa de ma wa o ma de anchi ade achi wi obedidi. Na no hope sando e kan ye wanti kwa me ma wachi.
Chairman, we
also today.
Nyame adom UBI fine.
Na so hope sando e say.
Nyame nti ye bedidi.
I don't know so for because if I bought the no, if I command my Yankupon, if I bought the no, I'm not quite more actually.
Yeah, Jagra.
And Pono.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, my fuel.
What's my fuel?
Oh, come
my fuel, in some big good. I'm saying, yeah, I just want to come in.
I was at a Pombro to the Atoro. Come by the governor, who ran over the budget.
Yeah, Jawahi. Oh, I'm running in a bizarre was saying, and Rasu Abayo. Dominio. Okay, yeah, chain,
and run.
Oh, chain,
wonderful.
Now, Mammy Bako is Minta. Also, you knew.
Okay,
and Oniawa, a man in Yawa. That's it. Or back in just 1 year, Bemo.
Saturday, that's
1 year.
Ukuruma, do what the Romans do. That was
and baby to 1 million Fanco channel.
Wonderful, wonderful. And Mr. Baby Aja, my name is Dr. Edin Commandments of Rams, Crano Measure, and I intimate Monka. And I'll pay a net if was to say, Omakoswado with free to or Command Radio 97.1 FM. And ne Yawada. April was ready to so and you know Esson ɛwɔ mfie pinu ne aduonu mmiɛnsa emu anapa yɛtena ase kuroma nsɛm bebree ɛna ɛwɔ kuroma ɛbɛka mu nsɛm ne nyinaa mu no Kwame ayi quotation bɛna ka sɛ for akoma ma Christ Kwame de mu boys no ayi bi ɔmo girls no for akoma na ma Christ o de body ne de ma saka body no ajo hwe mu ana ma na form quotation ana na grada
o ka she ho ansa na fa ho to no so no bɛyɛ
boys is the for akoma na ma Christ na fa body no
okay o say but atena bia otimi dan na asiuti o na ya o de
asofu me be quotation sisi so
no kre
o say Galatians 102 kwa Galatians ko be
o say quotation bit say the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, the love of God, and the fellowship. Baby, one more verse 13, baby, verse 14. Yeah.
Why not be friend?
And you, and a bit all Onimukra or Kabikeke. What's the situation? What you know?
Obisa na grada say onya was the quotation we use to
you know, Mlukuduka Kokaka some 500.
Wow. Anyway, I can say Koba say J Belinda Paul, and they become DJ Dozy, DJ Zikibi, and I pay fast like I say Emma Sa and Rantier. I feel let's to a Kwame or Henry Safu for Tinibu. I see what you Tinibu, Nidia said that I can catch them. And I, Calvin and Kwame Aposa, Eddie, Aduchum, and as I say, the end of the cafe could turn out and the count. The branch jump on the camera.
There would be.
It's that.
Yeah, me ya from Pomboate na.
I'm never buying was also in the Honko. It's a Honko.
Chairman.
I said, maybe I maybe I'm here. You have me manager, programs manager. I'm friend manager. I said, yes, I did be serious and I walk Branian Council manager. Israel manom kakra mamen ko fi o chamba me bia HR manembra asem na say kasem no to buy na Kwame income manager me free no munsan me Kwame san no no munsan manager me no munsan all classes me free no munsan all classes am san ga jo manager
awa be tufu
me free no munsan all classes manager mama ko suspension you know that manager e man ko answer say me kira say me twem mamen ko fi one na forces me mra office nim ne time mamen ko fi I don't know the sense here. I said, my freedom is our classes. Can you crash it?
No,
So, I said, my freedom is our classes.
Now, you know,
before I don't want group. Okay, go group. I said, be free. Jebel Krabe.
No, about class 4.
Now, class. Was when we about second one. Now, more class 4. Whatever catch it. Even now, me know me can. Yeah, could you be out to me though? As manager, me no me free no more now classes.
Na manager me ora from pon ni nsem nya no hwemu a yen ka no kre wom. Na adentina wo office wo no. Wa me ka no kre no wo twen ya. Na
dabi adena wo ho no no kre wom ni say you see agori anam kan say aguri whatever wo ye ni so. Nti obia fa etra. Obia fa etra. Kwa monim report watching and the chair interministerial committee on mining. Illegal mining. Thank you. And I contact Ejabisiu so executive secretary. And quite a bisu the abeto say from report watching to Galam say ni bi. Say say obi eyi ni yonko ama. Enti em say doctor so meyi ni ho ano. Ne babo e bia no dimukaya na from report ba bi didi ni mu ni ade report man hunu ba ni di ho kwa mo ho. Okay, but you know, me nya kwanya kan nya the except stomach kan. But I did me say apparently charge a credit kan aye underground investigation. Na as well as say charge for the Ghana Kwame. Eh jomu tuma na jomu tu Kwame dey. Aye public radio yet me ka bebre.
Say credible.
Oh, thank you. Mo ne ye ni mo posture. Hawa mo be clad ha me. And everybody na charge about say Frimpong Boateng, Dr. Frimpong Boateng wasn't involved in Galamsey. Did that na Kwame Ken. I don't know. My ye mo fa meto na banta ibe na mo de beto. Interministerial committee on illegal mining here omo report Kwame wa. And after papa em say utiema second run no amfa na otife nem say who here say this report no say on the request of the chief of staff. Owe niema from the office of the president so by and so say I say let it be on the banner say Kwame concerns be raised here. Whichever way, a certain minister who was in charge has brought a certain allegation against certain people. Can they be made to answer? Can an independent investigative body be put in charge to look at those things? I never comment on saying. Now with the etina Shania Basa intersemi, but say it will be nip in the bud. Be na fi the ayra. Na akwe bi wo. Enti kwame, brano wo mo, so we free mo. Such allegations have come up, Kwame, and people must be made to clear their names. And this person sitting near people me and I mean,
you know who's our case and Okase as you two gallons near the Kwame the Bedia dancer, one of the sports ministers, no only football team. And but you want to be a guy, oh, a diagram and one and your football team now to me, Leo in. And the Oma bet me a catch and so, oh, now we are chairman there. Yes, sir, wow, Nanya consignment in Nanya microphone.
I come here, me know. Yes, I call Papa Cousin Menko. Say, watch your cousin. Now, when you could be oh, that's any man Janeko. None of friends, oh, Papa Cousin Menko, could buy. Come here, you probably jam or Menko, Momodi Badia with the money. You know that. It's I don't know, can we minister? Yeah, you're betting my share to Haka Cramonia Crackito. A baby I said, not what they are for now, John Wayne. Allegation, cut allegation. I mean, it's interesting to help in. Investigation na kwa mewa
general sadio mu yina asore mu nyina wo mwe mitanka minya akwanya bio mako wase kropon a anka we memie mani a nanka ma ye report wo de aba me say general abanye betimi etu galam say yase onyamae ni amu kan enyam nwanwa ebetumi aba say ampa inra from pombo atin or consignment anase wo galam site ni bi cause ukwa general omu sign post no etiti kwa hu we consignment me better me body no china bi if you want to do if you ever can say besin kwa chire okwa na eni ho we concern and penny for footballers ex-footballers
e be a bodyguards nya wo ban mu ya but you see why do we do this to ourselves adentia
say asaba so no eno na edi wanye bia na wanye unse jena mitia sisi yi mikro my prayer dia so no mu hu me why because of the name of Komai position the amount and two say mikro for no ba ha abe seremwa ya de bo mo odwratwa ne ade enti mi kudu hono mo a me different person enti say me ye nima bia me ya ebi kura say me fi okoma ha kura me din be kata soro enti sometimes demand ne fini pa no hono ebe ma why ne say kura wo ye sometimes demand ne fini pa no
chairman report 36-page document and as a 36-page report and about a chairman report come Chief Justice Chief of Staff na never
what this one
oh David remember I don't feel I'm chiano report about out in I was a journalist and a leaky star report now abba but now a near one things any but I was a journalist. Anna, you made a report in heading about one thing. But chairman, we share reporting man some room. Sometimes me feel it sad. Na anyway, means that me yama jedi se near I'm paying His Excellency and another Danko Akufo-Addo. Be a trim. Okay, see, I put my presidency on a line to fight Galamsey. You know, chairman, Edward Bianami was sabi. No quarry. Be anim inyadi o manpen and the presidency ebeto line no so in fighting Galamsey inyadi ebesi nyanza uche nipa you are from Pom Boatin bubo oni and jama dem fan share team say you are from Pom Boatin sabi enyo obi akeke oye why a former minister for science and technology oye minister under you and another Danko Akufo-Addo the president Minister for Innovation. If you are on my penny, we two guys so fighting Galamsey, no. Or share na bang share we have the men in no. Or to see here from Pom Boatin as the big man to lead the fight against Galamsey. It's not interministerial committee on illegal mining. Yanto na you from Pom Boatin and nano or far secretary or far. But fun paying for committee members. So one quay you man, no one fight Galamsey. And the chairman look at the number and I said the names are a primo report in Uma. We have the information minister. You are your pong chroma, the new room. Information minister or a part of government, and also he is into government. your chief of security and head of security out the Jubilee House. The Jubilee House. Honor His Excellency and another Danko Akufo-Addo. Otse. Men kind of Flagstaff House. Na man fun. O man paying nothing abi and oba security o nyina na oda one no Captain Koda. Didin wom. Sounds on a chairman eba no o man paying operations on social media and as an niama on social media NPP niama Flagstaff House niama obe put up on social media nyina na. And you down no men kind of adam for me but unim era ni tego
anyway
so no na eba no man panyini ayi o kanu social media Flagstaff Jubilee House niama obe to social media nyina ono no hwe ni din wom number of people should din apue mu report ni ma chairman even who shall report ni ma His Excellency na dan kwa kufa uko ni fie wo chebi the backyard of the president's house chebi or I garden ni mu na ngaza wo tu galamse wo o man penyin ni mfichiri why ne garden mu no wo tu galamse wo according to the report. And then you'll be as the youth organizer. Our MPP or no to galamse no. Our man penny garden mo chebi. So, chairman, where is the fight against galamse and man penny kind of? I put my presidency on the line. Wow, edu baby kwenya yera Joe Wise. Bejina bonti mekasi. They should shoot them. Obi oye galamse we okoto no site asabi. One money to yonkum no. Chama what here uni concession. Metie mini concession. The boy concession uni be. Don't ni be. Obi any ofi or obi. But the same people who were fighting galamse, those are the same people who are concession.
Yeah.
Obi amra Ghana ni bi mra bonti because of concession. Obi amra bonti, obi ameche ni concession. You see, say those same people are better from them. Because we are fighting galamse, we want to fight galamse. Those same people now also need to galamse. So if the president says, I put my presidency on the line to fight galamse, chairman, means that man paying a honor quade when you resign cranky. So no kinds I put my presidency on the line. And the people in government, your own people, your information minister, according to the reporter, you are from Pombo in the Abano, I them a womb, the dim womb, or just Otu galamse, and Yamana Mekao, you are from Pombo or your former minister, our government, 1 hour appointing as a minister, committee 1 hour appointing is on Nano, no report no, actually say Otu galamse, Oshe Ding Auro, you are coming to Japan, Munyan Dim womb. Say what to galamse, and these people want to come and lead the country. Someone, senior able to go we investigation be anywhere by saying say benya commission of independence body. Manaye a probe sa report.
Independent body no. You have found a Ghana ha na say you go far because obia ni mo bi o. That's na mean say independent body na no. Onti Ghana ha ana oye Ghana ni a ye wo no me fa say ye ko wo no America nti oba onim ye terre ni mu ana say ono no oni MPP oni NDC ni akofa na ba o man come dey be America human being can never be neutral oni papa de says nipa neutral dabi enti independent body no ye ko form afin fa Ghana ha asofo teacher for igwemu ma one ekofo na ba no enti we should be bold and say ni aba no enye ne ho mu bia se ne o kan no wo a wo hwe na ekotia no ese wo resign with immediate effect
Ghana
me enkan kire wansa
Ghana
we come here baby London one of their mpanyifo no ba ko say no or finance kwame yesi bibisa na 20 pounds ever to ne sika so who say 20 pounds at to sika so or resign 20 pounds because when you say ebe ha o man no ebe ha the credibility the way they impanyifo yin ebi kura gya to say ye wo bi kwame uzo omudi report obi antu meka say enye no kra mini bio everybody obi antumi nka na mom omo nyina de moni ache Ewura Frimpong Boateng so say ne o ka no eye no kro obi antumi nka say oboa mini bi se kwa me say si ase me na mhwe so ma e wa se kropon ana se mhwe so ma e wo mfa se kadi akwatia na ka se woni bi se kwa me say change of ownership na meye obi amro wa so woni bi no come out. But this time I press conferences such as ne Ewura Professor Frimpong Boateng kan woboa say ne o kan obi a woni mu dio kwa me before obi a na akoma nyina kolebu akoma nyina ho adwuma on na chere nsa ne peja no na ya peja na be interministerial chairman o was agro no di ento no otwa eti obi a wo say on the consignment woni bi kan say no won to be ne Professor Ekan wopoa omra out say ampa me asamasi me din wo na my hands are clean.
Yes, but the boy only according to the report we read here mobo na yaw wo mne say so ka Ewura ana Captain Mahama so you know it was because of this Galamsey issues in Wukumu a mining site na Galamsey koso CNG Alaska. That was a company I know mine here.
CNG Alaska we can I know I'm general manager. Mini papa I don't know.
Chairman.
Donald Denswa.
Yes.
Mini papa no papa. Me don't know if media house be we go pay mu as sales manager dem verse at 1.
Okay.
Na of verse at them there. Na me taisha na coffee shop near there. Na me na di boy
no I started it out. Chairman,
my friend, my said my friend me dey come.
Okay.
I dey come.
CNG Alaska was a mining company or mining our Denchoro Boase. And because because the lawyer for this company, CNG Alaska, according to the report, Gabi Asare Dako, on a lawyer at this company. Edu baby na crew more for the Jobwasi crew more for no was against the mining na ekoso e the Jobwasi. Na ze wo nyi won pe say some mining activities ne bekoso. So because Gabi a lawyer to CNG Alaska now ne cousin a president inti according to the report ni influence according to the report from Boateng Nyamina no
said that was a report no we challenge report no
Emma soldier for a site a bo hoban will protect CNG Alaska
no muntu
Galamsey no and it can be my bufu by say must say yensu according to a report to the job must say yensu yen person mining because what akwa for soldier for say o me bo company one one sang to Galamsey no ha and a lead here Captain Major Mahama nkoke egwemu no because on and only the troops are woko hono no on dey onya boni here because a command yeah. As a soldier need to obey command it's no penyina friend organize your boys munko ye adwuma say the only thing obey and say obey and woko nti on and that troops soldiers are no na wo den chorobo ase and wo protect CNG Alaska mining sites wo wasora na no pakwa no work kono jogging and unfortunately okuchi ya yenya ni mnesi menka ebusuya yao but through greediness selfishness
yeah
and menka no beg yes every baby asa I say ka kire won za enti a young soldier a captain
all prosperous yeah dachi bi
oba be ye bibi pade amoman no through Galamsey illegal mining na abang mo mpanfo wo munti a young soldier like Captain Mahama ehwere ne nkwa and it's according to the report that ebeto anana wa on akobro ye kan sam bisa say asa now eni ame no ka say nipa was okum Captain Mahama ne one prosecution akodu yin fa na akosi yin fa. A young soldier like him lost his life through illegal mining na obi selfish interest in it. You're a Dr. Asafumafo, senior minister. Or no, advisor to the president. Advisor to the president. So when we say that it's not possible, the president guys, I put my president on the line to fight Galamsey. Oh, I'm paying service. When paying for money, but that Ghana for. On to me fighting Galamsey because ne advisor, no to a man paying for. a senior minister. According to Frimpong Boateng report, you know, our Otugalamsi. Our concession, the boy.
Yeah.
I read senior minister Yawasafmafo. The senior minister also engaged in something that was horrible. Horrible. In October 2019, one Mr. Seth Mante, a journalist working with Peace FM, was apprehended because of unlawful excavator sales. In the course of the investigation, Mr. Mante confessed that he was contracted by Mr. John Oforiatta. Until you be fear about John Oforiatta. When we say that they can't fight Galamsey, you should know. John Oforiatta, then National Security Coordinator for the Central Region, and Mr. Ekoewusi. So okay, Ekoewusi issue now. About tape that was doing to use his bank account at the National Investment Bank for what effectively was money laundering. It's Yera Yawasafmafu through National Central Region, National Security Coordinator John Oforiatta,
John, yeah.
and Ekoewusi Central Region MPP, and a secretary and as a chairman or
coordinator.
Eyusu, the journalist, the said journalist, Seth Mante, Peace FM report, according to the report, you know, used to a bank account. Say what on excavator be one first scanning for. It is excavator, 2 years excavators 500 a year, you know. The boy, according to the report, them say, what on the you what on scanning for? According to the report.
Yeah.
So how can a 500 excavator and excavators na yera? Excavator ni in tabang. Yera, I Ghana 500. Meanwhile, yes, the National Security Fund Operation Vanguard Fund season there. So the Central Regional National Security Coordinator, you didn't womb,
and coordinator and so forth.
Ekoewusi, you didn't womb,
yeah.
a reporter who you soon in the bank account. No what to excavators.
Reporter no oh.
Report on statement, you know. On the police for children.
I was say reporter no say and I say no.
Reporter no. Say any statement, you know.
But Kwame, you see, you realize, say, talking about to say CS Alaska, whatever.
Yeah, CS Alaska, yeah, company.
It's a company formed under the laws of Ghana. What if I say? And they have a certain concession mandated to mine, prospecting, whatnot. They go into a community. Per the laws, they must engage the community leadership. Let them understand what in fact no be and they started communal obligations be some community no no can say yeah juma on be this assembly e do mon krata come on be post to notice board so or be call court o kro money they will do all this your friend is publishing near there omu hwia akwanya so ne ekoafo no edin kita ho e de fa one mo your friend is saying what do we call one more ayi no buy near the was no omni ekwafo no ebedi hu nkomo na me say koko ba ku ye 10 Ghana the last time me nim no say atoso a enti o kan koko do wo ho a na multiply no do sika ma na bode banche bia one bo a ono mo dije en say CS Alaska no etimi esa no mani nyina awie na emramu no aban mo krata so this adwuma no community leadership no matenase actually say juma ye bedi wa hani omako court ni ade say me kan any other public places notice boards omni akobo publish kwa mo ta say there's so mutiama this assembly and municipal assembly ometuama wo mo wie na everybody cry omtimi relocation of the community kwa so say do omtimi a whole resettlement edema ensane mani nyina ba mu wie a na omo yo madwuma e wo sika mutiama central government as in royalties no me Kwame other taxes no me ade kwa mo ta say I don't think CS Alaska can be accused so much. Yes, they are working and I need some adwuma
chairman binka say nyese wo adwuma but ucha the agreement and I say emra na ma CNG Alaska yeah what are you mining in according to the report, you know, in 2017 Abraham PP besu mo no what cancelled the MOU now. A ban in CNG Alaska, it was cancelled according to the report. Internet and Mao ma CNG Alaska and operate that particular.
So there was another company that they formed that.
Yes, they formed another company. I think the name, Iramika, but we'll get back to it. Chairman, Edu Wano report and if he then job was forest are mine and no cost one, a bimu for one full money ade. But because that MOU was cancelled in CNG Alaska Kofa, according to your reports, Kofa armed macho men. It won't be good sight. Oh yeah, crewmen in Arafawako Fuma, they beat you up, according to your report. Obuko forest Okocha, the crab a wall. I was one man out there only for Fukra, they will beat you up. What bro, Mia Bromerman and Mumofra. It's a matter interministerial committee. Investigations on that, and they find out that it was true. It's per the investigations are why you know, Emma Kuru any beje say at least a bang to an amount. I will near man so Potembo. But then I make a very well, you know, not the Gabi Asarchedako was a lawyer for, and as I want to know a lawyer, the man. CNG Alaska.
And Gabi is a practicing lawyer.
Yes, I understand.
Do you agree?
I understand. I agree.
A friend is saying, what's the name? Gabi Asarchedako.
Yes.
He's a practicing lawyer of good standing. Ojutum.
Oh, yes, I agree. I understand.
And CNG Alaska found a lawyer. Is it out of place?
Chairman,
because somebody can afford his services.
I understand.
And they can afford.
But according to the report, you know, Gabi being a lawyer for CNG Alaska, but our presidency,
that doesn't stop him from becoming the lawyer of good standing. To become a lawyer, every year you must renew.
Menkasi should stop him from being a lawyer.
So is at the president as what? What is portfolio at the presidency? As what?
The influence of
our president, what is our office with presidency as well?
But we all know that Gabi was president.
No, the fact that he's related to the president doesn't mean that he has an office sitting there. We all know Gabi used to be at Dankwa Institute.
We understand.
I know what on one law firm.
We understand.
Is it a law? I need to find his law firm. Get it for me.
We know that he's a lawyer.
So he has his own chamber that he practices.
We understand. But you know, him say Gabi so I will Jubilee House.
As what?
Oh, now say
Kwame. Now Professor Mills ewu here no. Yes, na busu for free ogwai aba be sha na omoko. Doesn't mean say omo castle.
So Chairman,
they have access to him because they are his relatives.
I understand.
Gabi a relative of the president. He is not I mean trying to diffuse that. He's not saying that he's not. Why are they? What committee say friends as an secretary. Fine, we agree. Gabi day.
That's the question we should ask. Then
the fact that you must see him at the flash up into one cousin no.
It's in another Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the president of the republic. Gabi Kwana any buziani. He has a lot of family. But
Bam to call. Now, my buy my so Chromini by your buyer, then you have your buyer to say.
You know,
I not do by your buyer.
Very good.
Very good. They don't have to go. The guy is the president. You go to him.
We all know in this country.
I tell you, president Obusiafo. But nobody want to own some Obusiani. I tell you because of certain things.
No,
president Unia, nominee cousins. They must be proud that their president, the president is a relative.
Chairman, we all know in this country. Say Gabi Asarchedako. Flagstaff House, the office of the president. Open Gabi Ashishana well who Kurana ko Flagstaff House on Kwabe Gabi.
To me, I think we are.
And Chairman, Gabi in the portfolio, we understand. In this country, anytime the president wants to break a news, or the person of the news be a babon, the first person Obama has one say Gabi. Even on his Twitter and over corner of Twitter, and indeed, in few hours, few days, and the president will come and say the exact thing, Gabi at the outward. So we can't sit here and say Gabi any influence in the current government.
Is that true?
According to the report, or you still any influence all government, even though they secure the military men at the CNG Alaska.
Kwame, that only Kwame.
Chairman.
To me, Ubisamia. Media say over the years we haven't paid attention to how we are treating Gabriel Trojako.
Why?
We are not being fair to him.
Why?
Is it his fault that he's a cousin to the president?
You'll be in say any fault here, Chairman.
Is
That's what I'm
it
saying.
his fault?
Gabby is not the only cousin of His Excellency Nana Dankwa.
When Ansari Bediato took position, he accepted to be the executive secretary. Why is the Gabi Yamano accepted position in that regard?
Chairman,
Now, say President Bana Gabi tweety, Gabi say fine. He might be close to the president, have a certain access to him, which he would not have.
That's what
Sorry
for
for
you.
you.
That's why according to the report, he used his influence.
I did say MCB no one koko your friend Dr. Alex Sumwa Obin. On me be needing come say bafo. Na your boss school don no. Make sure be gina ho ana. Bra no be pre MC no more set and crofo be na ekono of no lecture wo your friend is saying. UCC kwame. Obe no jana people sin egu ho. And now when the people kita na credentials and fatase de man. Crofo ye no say. Na your boss school don make sure be gina ho ana.
Chairman,
And then the Bible mu ana sorry the Bible mu ana am say no so credit doctorate. Young man kasapa na no say ko gina NDC parliamentary candidate e won koko. And what it is garbage to be obi go school ni biana. Maybe somebody can afford his services. Somebody can afford. Where Gabi a year a portfolio waha. Gabi a lawyer was specializing in oil and gas matters. We are away. Come away.
Me away.
And he said, echo specializing in that folder. What do we expect him to do? So oil and gas mining or be fun so many juma. He shouldn't do it because of what? Because of what?
Chairman,
because he's a cousin to the president.
We all know, that's what I'm saying is that even at people were calling Gabi the de facto prime minister.
That's a for problem.
Chairman,
That's a problem.
Chairman, you see, he's a lawyer.
That's a problem.
For CNE Alaska, formally. And the name is Imperial Heritage or something. Imperial Heritage. Honor a lawyer, them. And according to the report,
the cousin president, man, you
money.
So what should you do?
But he said, when I'm closer to you, now, me madam for be person who be ding in Gitawa. The only thing I can tell my friends, Mr. Bafwana, Mr. Bafwana, the me boss me closer to you.
Well, the information I'm getting, the information I'm getting from a very reliable source, authentic source, say Gabi was not even a lawyer for CNG Alaska. Rather, he was not currently. He was a lawyer for Heritage Imperial.
And this report,
and so why
this report was put together in 2021. This report it was put together in 2021. Sometime he was a lawyer in
for who?
For Imperial Heritage.
Heritage Imperial.
Yes, we all know.
So CNG doesn't come in the discussion.
After say the MOU was cancelled, CNG Alaska. The person head, was Donald. He went back and formed the Imperial Heritage.
Donald doesn't form company. He's a general manager. He doesn't own the company.
Chairman, we all know.
Donald is a general manager. Like I'm a general manager here.
Chairman,
I'm not a shareholder. I'm a stakeholder.
Chairman.
So Donald in this regard is only a stakeholder, not a shareholder on their paper.
Speaking according to the report, you are from Pom Watting. He was the interministerial committee on illegal mining.
Assignment.
His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Say Uncle Galamsey.
There be no Uncle Galamsey.
Now, what role was his son playing?
According to a report, and
I'm saying, now, as a journalist, involving some of these operations that we are aware.
It was popped up.
What? And I know the officers are not popping up. Now, they didn't pop up.
Chairman, I'm talking according to the report. A government appointee. He was appointed by the president to lead the interministerial committee on illegal mining. On this report, so I'm speaking according to the report. With Nebano Dimba Bonting,
investor confidence. Investor confidence. So we should look at it. Don't forget, say, this is very CNG Alaska Heritage Imperial. What do you say? Honestly, Canadians. Kwame, I'm looking at the diplomatic relationship between some of these companies. Some of their natives or citizens bring money to invest in here. Now I'm getting information say, as we speak, Dr. Frimpong Boateng, people also are going to come up with their own side of the story. Whoever Obi Abunedibia has a right under the constitution to come in. I'm getting information say 25 excavators, 7 pickups. And then other things I'm saying they won't want to be mentioned more. As I speak, all has been sold into the pocket of certain people. Names have been mentioned here. And at the right time, I'll give the people the chance to also rebut.
No problem. No problem.
These are Enyema Eba up.
I know the
And Kwame say obi di sika beto excavator baako 25. Na your friend is saying Kwame pick up in your money make kaya. But from what we are hearing, Oko Registered General, these are registered companies duly formed under our laws, which were operating, and they had their documentation to operate until your friend is saying they were stopped. And when they were stopped, all these items were taken away. Kwame. Now, Kwame, does it even make sense, Krase? Your friend is saying, does it even make sense? Your friend is saying, what for being your money now? What for be a man? What for? You ever say, I will say, Ghana, your manufacturer, your friend is saying, excavators, Wahana.
And now pick up.
That's what, according to the report.
And Anna Kwame, ye pay be there the silted or door no money at the assembly see here be. Adena, young Kakra say, ye de ma assembly require near to Kabi, the money at the actual. You can say 10,000, you better find 5,000, you're born or 5,000, a Tom assemblies name, municipal district near the identity. Some of them were just set on fire.
Chairman, we all sat here. If you remember, we all sat here and you condemn. Sadena na echo for excavator. No one's excavator. It doesn't make sense because assembly nuclear bit my then I used to I own money. We all sat here and we condemn all those things. But what I'm saying is that those same excavators now will seize in Ukraine. A minister, a senior minister, a senior member of this government. I used to number uncrophobia at the tongue excavators, no. Boy, do you understand?
Yeah.
A senior minister, after someone sees excavators, no. I used to uncrophobia, the Central Regional National Security Coordinator, and a certain journalist, according to the report, no, sold the excavators.
Yeah.
So American.
And that name has come up here. Ebina Oka say some of these things, no. Oh, we are become consolidated funds. You just say echo Dr. Frimpo Boatin, Prof. Yane Echo Usi, any Bakudi Bakuka. Sa near Menyatima, Omotoino, maybe a Friday. That may be an ABM people by him. Government be by him. But the fear is coming on him, never. We will not cease paying judgment debts, which is your money and my money.
Yeah.
That's a worry. And some people, while they are alive, we must draw them, we must drag them. They must come. Ebina, you see, if you live in a glass house, you don't throw stones.
Yeah.
So those people. Those people now.
As we speak, echo, ewusi, what you say? Some people what you say? Papa Charles Bisu, what you say? I mean, there was certain ya clear okay, tell me best ya clear Kwame. There must be an independent investigative body to investigate all this. I am passing. You have 4B25 excavators and 7 pickups and other things. Now, you turn a go to ma. I mean, what you
the person can come out and mention names,
and we will give them the platform.
The person can come out and mention names.
No election petition by no. Obeka I say if you are Seneca for KPMG for because of credibility.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, what Deloitte and Touche credibility. We can look around and then say you pay independent, credible investigative bodies.
Yeah.
To come and do this. Price will be on friends clear.
Even if your response are some of the people are in the report, and I from Pom, you are from Pom, what in the report, you know, at the buy now. Even at the presidency,
they remove videos
about it's just a hearsay. How can you tell me that a report, 36-page report with pictures, the a hearsay? Is it not true? Say, we see any obi cotton excavators. Emma, Ecofa journalist, be bank accounts. My journalist, police statement, is part of the report or is in the report. Audio buy. So how can someone because a hearsay?
And then is it not still working?
That's what we are saying. That's what we are saying, sir. Ebenya,
your presence no going to a certain dispute. I say, A buy a clear one more, you sent us out, we nanti free man, we no money. But come you see, power is transient, it changes hands anytime. Na ebasa, Sikat Bekoye and Kungwama school for Chief compound said, "Need judgment debt." Aya, your friend say, Papa say, "Auditor General, omi judgment debt you try na fibi. Omi who so. We need to know how much money we spend on judgment debt on some of this. Will be a negligence. Ete Kwame, o say aban etimi egu na yemfa president because of certain immunity clauses. Kwame what I say? Hwe Abuga Pele.
Yeah.
Hwe ayi Victor Salome mu. Na operatives ayi Kwame Pramo. Na mo nam court. Na mo nam jail. Na president to the baby dwene ho. Enti opa ye the man was me sorry me nye.
Yeah.
But once you want to do it, don't forget say about with certain obligation and certain risk in there. Kwame what I say?
Yeah.
And all we are saying is those people who took those appointments and they have all these issues hanging as albatross on their necks, they must come out. Kwame, sometimes your reputation, wow, reputation. People can say, I've given myself up for investigation.
Mia.
Yeah. See, I'm clear down. Kwame, ubi create me now. Ubi na ubi akokoje ni fun one pass or a damn pass or the court or the bench or the car because you could see the fire canashing. So the court or the before funa komochi be na and the Kwame a kaka. All we are saying is, Sanema Kenya, my friends, investor confidence. A chinabi, Obiabana,
Anna say,
Enna, a friend say, what is a Kwame, a Canada buying, a Bekafa, Ghana buying home. Yamra to say, I shall want. You are China for near tea, Tom Nanka Kofa, certain diplomatic issues about comes your way. And never he. Ghana for Mobi said Donald. I know Donald. He's a brother. I've said it. He's a friend and a brother. And then Tina Juma Abon Ghana for Maniajana.
Chairman.
And Donald was only a general manager of the company, but not a director of the company. He was only a stakeholder. So he was stakeholder. Yes. And I was shareholder. They tell you we are stakeholders of the company. We are not shareholders.
That's what we tomorrow resign.
Exactly. And he, as I said, already pay. Obi can say your boss school don't know. Mr. Obi Sana. What calling Suku? On a 1 year, a fata, don't have the minimum. No. He was working as a high profile manager at City FM and year Juma. From there, he went to Varsat as a sales manager. From there, he went to your friend is saying, Nyawuken CNG and Heritage Imperial. Meaning, say, he's a high profile corporate person. How much as in who can put companies on it toes, make sure he get the right, he attract the right talent, he get the right things to be done and company leading, and yet Mutina Nefans general manager. There are certain statutory a permit no money never be brave, and sometimes your own percentage could be anymore. Maybe say me do NCR. I am well known there. Meaning baby, me rebia, me nyan kudia me nya. Enti also mine and gas. Why me buy? When say start petroleum near the crop for coast him there, any other. Oh yeah,
yeah.
Enti is it wrong for him to work and lead?
Obi and Kel say wrong for him to work and lead, but Chairman, the main reason why you're fighting Galam say, Ghana, Adebako, Nian say, say, Yinsu and Sua, another boy, my boy. You never FM, Yanum, ready be a young, the boy and Obra.
Yeah, but only the Kwame, so Prophet from also obligation by Barty. Someone says, money in
yes, that's what I'm saying, sir. So if, sir, your barber Shen say,
Kwame,
diplomatic relations.
Kwame,
and I Chairman, but Mama see. Diplomatic relations. Obia Jumenti. Yanchana Sani Amawe in Koswa.
No, Kwame, I'm not saying this.
No, Chairman,
don't misquote me.
I'm not misquoting you. Chairman,
what I'm saying is, Kwame, a certain CNG company came to operate. CNG.
Oh, according to a CNG.
No, that it is CNG. Okay. From authentics on CNG.
Okay.
And CNG might not even refer to CNG and YEPE and the company law. What they are saying. And these companies are formed under laws. They have met certain obligations, certain criteria. So they are formed under our laws. What they are saying. And then they come into operate with the requisite document. As a name here, documentation permit they have all those things and working. The certain interministerial committee has been formed to take care of or to clamp down on illegal mining. So they ask them to stop the operations. They have another company which is Heritage Imperial, which also begins to work. And it's almost excavators 25. Okay, so many whether police 4 by soldier 4 by general major mama or kind of even is a case. Nini na chino ebia onoma jai Kwame emu ne abɛhu sɛ ogya adwuma no na excavators maako 25 the pickups 7 any other nneɛma a ɔsɔ ɔka nyinaa a lot of money. So in the end, they can say na mpom kita permit bi a ɛmɔ ɔmo kwan so a certain exploration and say a certain prospecting and the other yaya. We have to pay them money, and it's your money, it is my money. That's a worry. But kwa muso ka say, bi a ɔmo adwuma bi a ɔmo yɛ ɔmo say nsuo ɔmo yɛ say make the culture say money dey medi money eji kakra. The bi aka say I'm man of all. I've done mining. And yes, na me bi kwa me could di mining eji koye adwuma ma nana obohene nana yeboa for a boy Jan. I was a special secretary at a point. And to call baby say Sasia, Kwame. Now on my mining. When I'm called Minas Commission Pulu document or Ghana counterpart and the Canadian companies are because we call yes I didn't the buy. So but in the end, you be who say I'm one maybe a so my community no. On my yana. A whole resettlement. There was a whole resettlement village. From old Esasi to new Esasi. And I remember saying, "Mekwana mkache ohene continue on se continue. Mo anya de. Aban ewa de was asimo a aban dia. Enti once aban edin krata mo mom de abekire mo no. I was saying no mutena se. Ne say den number ma community no. Mitem di ka kire wo no. Duaba bia ne ahia ye ton no. Ye wo koko, minis koko na ye 10 Ghana. Se atumu a kwa me minim. Okane dodo a na otia mao afi se extension say ya omo fa promo for local people ni bi so omo nya adwuma bi na omo ehan wo mo ibi wa krom timi ma mo alternative livelihood bi se bia akutu ana abebi na bia asase bi omo tunya na omo reclaim na omo dua e de ma mo ni enua tik no ni ade ni nya ne ba se mo na omo tena ase kwa mo na dia Chinese for ye omo saka ade wi no ko si resettlement no. Because the communities were not involved as a both yempre no. Kwame foundation I'm so much moment to foundation bo. Ninswata makrona se nyina horam zana some dem be gi mu a. Ka me che say untimi fa blocks CS as ani to amnama ne kofom ne fa e concrete nick foundation ne fa shem. Ene mo po mu mpeu mu ne etuma betena yi. Sika de ma no be renovation odan hu. Afi ceiling ne de kwa manye. No say din chance Kwame. In chance atototo adne so sa uroma. You are you ceiling. And chances so ye dey ato cement say Kwame e be we na ma e ho betutu to say mahamo kwesko yes ya mom school mo atwa mienu say ha cause foundation ya dey interest no e shift kakra no e mo awai enti se ba say some community trase na bia mekan si engine any heritage imperial yes ani ma nyina wakwa assembly notice board dey akọ bosso a publish ade no ka mo ti azene nya me so ye nyina bia waye but some elements bo ade ni mo a o say bia of course on na school krom ho on na ye oga krom na the coordinate by the ba community nyana ne nko anya those are the people who spark problems and troubles. Okay page the sand ba ko be akodi a kire wo mo am tell say papa odi machi mun so anya ka mun so ajiska kota sasen kokko mun so wasi dance so the community were very surprised. So they were rather using them as bargaining chip to enrich themselves. It kwa me ene sense ka better dey dey sadam bianko fo court na ko ba say ampa o mo nkrata ene yese munya na yafa uni na kwa me excavator kogu istegon say e ba bia na ira ne ade excavator wo nine excavator enti ni nyina ko fa eyi the band from some party as idie en manim ya e was set investigation cause say sa 25 excavators e ko he
no but chairman according to a report chairman and amount for tongue
Kwame ti o gina kamera gina ya adwene say un say Professor from Pomboati committee no edition and sano omo de no o kan report na committee na set man no ba ko ne say to vet and verify legally registered artisanal and small scale mining companies to regularize and dispensaries where possible antino tio say Nigeria e no say e ba say near excavator na ye ne dia we register no matter say nhye and what aba akokoton a ehona yeba boka no Nigeria mewa yeah ehona yeba boka no
am wadwe no ho
so we register and am committee na ye pam am no so emra we na mo hyehye de mo mo se ye be vet mo ye be regularize edwuma ba boye enu achi mafa ye achi abaji ye excavators makwa hye no afi makwa koton ye pick up the adwuma ma kwa ton sa na tedi ya say translate hu sa na ma nyina kwa me ene bebo ka no sika no sa bre ton no e ko hifa se jena e wona ufiba no sika no akodi hifa ye ko ton ma de ne ya mfa ma me ene o ma ne ba boka bio ana tu ne je na aka so metanase a afi Canada ye ne Canadians ya yonkofa oh ye ne Canada for the relationship anhwa na ababeta fam kwame ene wo hwe lawyers ne nurse fo a etuko Canada no se Canadians ibufu na mo say afi kura de yetwa mu eba na mo ba ne nyina ne yetwa mu a kwame say mo abache yetia ana nanu ya England we say Britain for say doctors ne lawyers mo ma wamkro mu biom is the Canada for them dey be kan wa kwame yewu anything no I think say the proper thing should be done. Oh. The proper thing should be done. Not just say, come here for a wedding. There, continue.
Kwame, whether we like it or yes. Boise, good bend into a Boise, Ghana, your own first.
What to the what to buy?
Only Boise.
But you are called to Kanu.
Kwame to go Boise. Compared to Johannesburg, any other year. See. Ya exploit crown minerals e dey akobro that toma e ho fa so Ghana royalties ya je ni ye
ezi
ko ja se ni oil e buy ta kwade fo jansin china ya mo dia
David
na Kwame Togo voter land for so e so mo president dey so mo kire papa bi ni mama bi kwa mo kan san ko foro Togo papa bi e so mo ho ni you to hold on to say kwa na plebiscite na kache munya na yenya yetim akwa bi kan say oh ankwada kwa bom ko school na baako eya no no awe ne baako atu 20 on 30 no to 30 say uja school uja na ho ya say uja yenya get Ghana ni mu set you say all we are saying is once there are certain minerals in the crust or in the bosom of the earth it belongs to the central government. Kwame just
in the government is too na just say
ese resource na ese Kwame ye ni ye na de ne me se fata o ye Kwame corruption index na de ba na sika lose to corruption that ene no ne me se fight this kind of mind certain central pool na de adwuma ne anya bi na obi an wato no Kwame me kwante man say this an ma I was say ko but from what the doctor prof or tell see we raise concern we don't see a certain political vendetta be at the brushing off. They should look at it say no quarry. And then CNG Alaska and the Heritage Imperial will be given a chance to defend themselves or otherwise.
Well, Chairman,
yeah, settle president Yabo Mudini and they should come and defend themselves as well.
Say election is an or sete to set up ad hoc district mining communities whose functions are to coordinate the various activities of the ministers that constitute the IMCIM. It said one microphone in a year, Juma. And the senior year can Professor from what the Omra, some microphone on your year, money, and you come in your transmission.
See,
also, one got now, okay, and can report you and find you.
We are saying that we should set up a committee.
Yeah. I can mandate mandate man account
an independent committee. No, with the reports now, but no,
yeah,
we should set up a committee to investigate.
Yeah, or no,
in the reports, and even according to the constitution, because it talks about committee of and a commission of inquiries.
Yeah,
somewhere about it. But Chairman, here the best setting up this committee. It's not the president. Chairman, if I'm wrong, it's the president.
I mean, president in
no, I'm talking about no. Here, I want to mean president in Sinjang. You best say them run here, Juma. Is the president the best set up a committee or a commission to investigate this?
And this is the president out. No, said committee, no committee. Never because you show me who she.
That's the report of the committee, but the reality no so. So I'm saying that we are saying that we should set up a committee, and definitely we want to be the president and the commission. Commission, it should be a commission, not a committee, a commission of inquiry.
Yeah.
Now, how do you expect the president to set up a commission of inquiry to investigate his own people? Because according to the report, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the president,
Kwame say
His own people.
Kwame say
I mean,
so banyina na
for me say public or chema himself just on public hearing. And the petition, that's what they call it, or the Galamsey report. They think there should be that public hearing.
Yes.
Now, Ebina Nehoka NDC, because we report Nipa the kind of Troy. And say, Ecosina, Nipa, you call public and you will Casania public and private. You call out to Nipa Nebia Crebu,
yeah.
Sana and Pat Mitchell can see, and the another report can be collated. And we know say from Bob Watson more year and report of the coin and leaky now a budna Ubisa and Pat Nami count. Why not me who anyway?
General Media Adeba Professor from Bob Watson Adeba say, Yenya Nipa Omutimi do no cre. Kwame, Omutimi can cre. Or man baby a coin say we see young penny for to say, Ira Professor from Bob Watson and Kwame just no cre baby daddy. Because in your beer and your beer na 77 what the a Juma Shannon sa, you know, or by Yini Yum. Actual report come say the amount what I say going to the sense say wabubo mpanyifo ne amanfo nyina edin ewom kwame yemo papa na baso
what I'm saying is even with Professor Fremont Boateng Krano, this report was made in 2021 no 2023
2 years
and yet a certain journalist I know
and Kobisa
as a journalist when bisa or the report on a babon here. Because even when you look at the report now, Chairman Robon said this what fine is it money be who you know or you near you know the boom. So I say one is saying a certain journalist and leaky the report. The report has been there for over 2 years now. But then Mabon here. A certain journalist.
How the journalist got hold of the report?
I know say because honestly this source of information
which you can't reveal.
You can't reveal. And but you about journalists and so about so
NDC either that journalist
private and private.
Journalist no my tie the kasa ba ko say no meeting be no friend no.
Oh, this particular journalist only Ghana.
I say obi na ka is it
this particular
obi your friend na kasa
where Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor na release it you know.
I say Myanmar report no ba out no. I say obi no mo friend.
This guy sits in the US not what shaking Ghana. No
yes. US who releases that report.
And say na I think say Mene Julius no I think Julius
because OSHA report
on
the new boom name I don't know how they call it with the water what new logo boom or they have to just say and so watermark yes watermark I just say or no and the source of sa you know so
Kwame you see I was just telling you about what mining companies go to communities and they do now I'm getting authentic information say among go just any woman here in the door so Kwame scholarship near that mayo any recruitment as employment opportunity for the people mayo Kwame tell among things the company did for the community were police station at Odahu that one community Odahu Okwai ho community center at Kubru mahu sa video no kra omubia no DC na komubia no teachers 10 unit housing at Ankam etc. It just Kwame. Me say Kwame me di community mining e chima. Papa bia no wo hon me ko du ye na ye ba meeting ba kum no hwe me poster. Exactly. Kwame kasa ko microphone ye tun kan ye. Abra Kwame e be share the Ghanaian counterpart and a partner of the company no. Kwame na ye be du ye na hwe me poster nim we na unu ade we he began to malign me to the man. Into na papa ne biebu fani okay
won se wonim de
na wanyaka wo mu dada wajisika koto asase a wasini dan ene adan no tina ono na esa link person to the community Kwame could you believe say bra community kure be to free o sara ko new side nom so mo ko ne di anim mani company hwe ne pe ne hwe ye pe ene no di car park ne ma se soldier for ba me dem e community enti obi odi anim to obi na ko dia on park ne sabre no no waji bibia den such a person. And all I'm saying is that some people within the community here send come and now that's why demand that's the demand and man no so work community liaison officers. I always say community no mo tam kita odi en ekoye. The reports on the Baba no be just so they a signa ebi. Na bia ba ko fo bi mienu bi miensem sika omoje fa me ba ko abrochi scholarship ma me ba say me pedan kran me pen na say e ma. They find a way because they live in the communities with them. They begin to sort of use them against the mining companies. Kwame, your police station, your community center, your teacher for a bungalow sim omnisima woman. Just say, etc. Just among a big cow. As one to what it's nasty didn't come here, commit me first one. Kwame, you to go why? Yes, only one air mine in the Jitum. And I think there should have been a way to go about some of these things. But where certain individuals will come up also with certain political vendetta, political machination, to me, I think in the end, there should be a discussion. Obuasi has been in existence for how many years now, you know? Johannesburg, any to go to change Johannesburg. In the best say, Dame Biano, there should be that Jojo. Yeah, Gabi DSA, I'm okay. Gabi no already, and I'm so I just move, you know, because after all, you're the law certificate man. And other than that, and can we Ghana for you? Quite Ghana for the emotional torture. We you better torture emotional, no umpi. What you mean, or them? And not just a because we might don't require any beam. Obi the way you me crying, you may say, nothing will you make. I mean, okay, beam. Now, I was saying before the to know, related, also be kitten or bear, no. And no, I'm also be the way you ma. I could not say you any fast because not be about him. The emotional trauma and torture we take people through in this country. Some lion, Papa Joseph Japan, they didn't come final. But yeah, he's one of the highest employers of the country.
But never corporate investors about.
And more money a day. Obedinemo. Oh, and they didn't come. But go to Nigeria. The Adenugas, the mashing them. They are giving certain state protection to expand. How much has they are deliberately created to fight the international business moguls. What do we do to our people? Ghana ni any moment say general manager complain there. He can be fired, he can resign, he can be fired. On your director or general manager. What should he do? Why is he employed? To manage the day-to-day affair of the company. Yes. So why are they putting Donald's name, Donald, into money? Is that what it means? You go to school, don't know. What's what we move now? You go to the master. I dare you, I will knew we are say a chrono. And an assembly gay account, say bear man, say for to every time. And the chrono, son of two, I know be anymore. Can't forget it. Our advice, my friend and brother, said he should look forward. He's a man. He has a qualification, a requisite qualification. He's a full corporate man. He has what it takes to lead companies. He should go ahead and do it any day, anytime.
Chairman, a 36-page document on CNJ Alaska Imperial Heritage Imperial Donald. We were mentioned in one page. The other 35, you know. And so, but Chairman, what's your report? You're from Palm, so STT. The way forward. Man, Ghana say it to me. Yeah. And Chairman, what's the way forward now? One, on me about 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 recommendations, things that we should do. And Chairman, we should need respecting the pronouncements and wishes of the president. Respecting the pronouncement and wishes of the president. Say, you be boo.
You man pay Becca.
Ninsa more Becca. And near my dana akumaso. Absorb so yen. Say, you be busa near man. Chairman, the wishes and the pronouncement of the president was, I'll fight Galamsey. The wish and he said, I'll fight Galamsey. I put my presidency on the line. But, Chairman, it's not only about pronouncements and wishes. It's about what you do after the pronouncements. What can we, One year, near my obeyan, any be musampa, near the one of kind of pie that I come as I want to fight Galamsey. I put my presidency on the line. And at the end of the day, your minister is involved in Galamsey.
Then away.
Chairman, that pronouncement and wishes no enye adwuma nti Ira from Pom what things you catch it no to the wishes and pronouncements ekro no can say no na we should respect it no and so anka dey futu sem kakra come His Excellency akabeboa so the wishes and the pronouncements no so no on fan in form because the people around him Jubilee House left to right center or into Galamsey.
It's alleged.
According to the report, where they are into Galamsey.
Even if I
Oh, say we board in Jubilee House.
Near you to go,
yeah, Tego ne. I Lord coming more. That's all boarding. Captain
How many be
Kodamo.
that?
According to the report, they should come out and say, and yet true. They should come out with their facts. Say one's on in Yano carry would need concession. Well, you come don't tell me that's all concession. I mean, any concession. And the same people also were fighting Galamsey, you know, one only concession. Any other former MP or Mirafu, according to the report, mentioned media amount. Autumn, concessions foreigners in individuals.
Yeah, recently I think there was one video and Lord Comey boy because
yes. Yes. And said, one the same people now they want to fight Galamsey. One are involved in Galamsey. It's the Osha way forward, no, the pronouncement and wishes, you know. You should respect it, and you very respect it. But chairman, Osha another thing I hear from Pomboatin, also respecting directives from president and cabinet. Respecting directives. Respecting directives. Respecting directives. The boy T. Way forward, we also respecting directives from the president and cabinet. I want to say, I said what you say. I chere okwan yam fa so yeri wetu Galamsey ase. On the cabinet. They say ye jetum na yebu. I want to His Excellency from Pomboatin. What advice ye jetum na mom respecting the directives and directives from the president and the cabinet. The cabinet is also involved in Galamsey. You are some or a part of the cabinet.
Yeah.
Why they Galamsey no to be?
Report on the neck say, horrible.
Or not the horrible cow. And yeah, was it an adjective describes it now? It's quite really adjective when I say conjunction. Conjunction there, but any I don't know. And when you describing
horrible.
Horrible to coach you, my day.
Oh,
and you
horrible no.
Any
atantan there. And horrible no. Any atantan there.
And you do to me pantoma.
Untimate. Oh, na jena senya kwa mecheche muno media. Ninti
na remember is onya butchani one swear over secret and was it president if you close chebi kra no to war na chia we are president wall you say wo of the excavator ni because can you go to
onipa kasa kwa a person like Excalibur na all kasa asem e bia me maso na mekon e bia enchendi bi akomu a ye dia jam
and kran say and kran cho ba ko say near you take go be cho defense everybody be say no Ocean president be man second appointment of second government ya man ente hu ahoye ade
second appointment was in 2021 and this report was made in 2021
it's quite me we minister near for the co-chair interministerial I say the position you dispose
chairman
say the post come back
yeah
we minister for that matter be cabinet minister and they say onim we ko jina hana oni nkola ya ko hwe adi ma family adi
o ko shemra
na fe de kwame de hono agu and in terms but in all no kwame me die me su say enyo be 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 politics o don't have about prof me na come on ko politics kwame into obia we politician e kwaji ministerial appointment kwame obi say Canadian Japan honorable asin central eti obviously your man ministerial position me no say me pay me unti ye
okay
ayi kwame unti ye
okay
I say me pay
ministerial
before Samuel ku ebeje NLA kwame no see your man local government minister or something
yeah
he said I want to look I want to be with the party manage the party I say me pay I'm sorry on to say HH nya em say National Youth Employment any other board chairman no na mo de copy NLA kwame what has it
yeah
until you a politician na Sit down, what do I want? Me a surgeon. I'm a share kumomo kolebu. Many at the same time be piano. My yadu baby a partner, yes, me papa me fear for bia, me try to say danko buzi UP. Me sikaba, my name diaba. Minister de me sorry. My crime be me private, akoma was some person ko o school be so am person me mama ni ko today. Me ba we di so onye mo fa na nsem ni ade. Ke ba yi. Dr. Kwaku tim kwame. E won abro mo fa mo MPP. Ya ne ba girl ayi na. Lady Otin was one or yeah ayi. I know not in the choir na akoda na mu a wakoye local deputy minister for women and one kwame. Young lady. Every ye dey politics the church and the politics ni mu nsama kwame ni ni eka. Jerry Rollins and the na nakradu. Problem mo nya ni bi ni o. 19 solid years in the helm of affairs of Ghana. Kwame ti asene. Mami akonya be no nya 31st ni ade some country ni ade yen kan e. Unu kruti free mo ye founders of the party. Mo ho ane de asema ba say ye committee the neck ni fake ni hwan no ne ekoba ye ni founder wadwe ni say. What if you not just we ye we nyame mpe Kwame Bwana. Ebi asa na esi da bi em ba bi atini nsem ni ye. Me a me ko party makoye first deputy vice. Kwame kai first vice second vice. Okay. Yeah. Oh no free rage ho no akwatena party office a committee nothing be. E din sembre Rollins a we dey kan e shembra. We dey obebo amoma change mre camera ho. Ye dey man ba Kwame. We dey no azano. And they realized they were losing grips of the party at a point. Party in family BBM. You cannot eat him near kind. Your committee so be ye dey kan bu ye near chance ye quite be kan say. Yeah. Some you do come here to about majority carries a vote. Near form consensus they be a tell we near the aba. We dey team over no azano. To who say there be near man ko ye man no. And ye jack or team you we na answer me ko no. From Canada no. Kwa go so me ko sunya Congress.
Ane.
She Rollins NDC. Bra wo do what we room no. Na fe ne se mo pai. Enti on na mo bia hu no ye mo ani bom pai sa radio das Congress ni be mu so ne san ye be oh no be gina ho microphone to many amen army around to gina house. That is for now me se me ba na. Anom refi me ana debi. Ti ya ba no so aden de trade declaration na dey call Professor Mills na mo dey call. Kasi mu wi e prof nya pe man se me kwa me mete me ho. Ana on sa brand hu me hu bi anu me point ne ayi. Kwame Opoku bin post or you also bempa.
Awapapo.
Nya brand e buy the funk na ka funk akra so ko ni si back. Kiki na dey. Oh yeah, deputy communication. Kwame ma MPP amanyoko. Me boa.
Ghana gas.
Yeah.
Eno ni kiki Kwame. Eno ma me be ye ayi NDP a kunkrum. Dr. Jose aye Kwame kai. Enna Rollins says there be media party no mu de. Na no me ayi ni bae no. Be the moja na saying that's a normal a certain pact, a certain Kwame kan say covenant me kwa kwa say bia na don no hu me. Kumasi. Enna Kwame kai a Rollins call for the second Congress.
Yeah.
And then this was also smart there. Oduwa mo monye the sopa no say one year pen my na na ho ye. Tampa Oduwa JJ founder. I'm sorry, me no go deep, you know. Say go for Najima too, but I'm say one eye problem. Go solve problem. And then more. And then Simon say in all of this, Zanato had shown interest in politics. So what stopped you? Kwame, Zanato hands down. So you away. Hands down. Nipo no mko no MPP no me heavyweight too. But the fact that
this not nani hwe ne ma mi no ntina amfa no. Sa this no pe ha. Epe ho no.
It's bro mu twima say boy no no Kwame but in all no. Ghana kwa no nye onye small way. O de Google na hwe di ma me. Kwame Google. Never can di ma me.
I calculate.
Yes. But because of the Rollins factor. Zanato hands down. Second time me baby anka bia wontwema but hands down. Rollins ba. It's brand like so release akwa man ko part no ko adwuma no. O man che. No man me ko tina so beto aso. Na pani bi ka se me kire me say so nipa o say nipa bi wo pre.
Yeah.
Afes kwa mo say nipa bi won na so anyden. Enko o se meko.
Yeah.
Hwet ma adwo yo de bo ntu okumas na obi bo ntu na no. Yes ni akra so man mpie enko da no. O se meko ani pe. Ni sini pe bi wa na so anyden. Ena Kwame mami kiki ena edu ba bi na Kwame o kunto kwa unya sa akola kete sa obabu as kwa that the jai keke unyo bi na ka yo say jai
na se wa na waje nkwa no
so wa me And never when you call your chance not China when a year. 19 years. Professor Monuku allow them to when you be Munyano. Mamu uko kan to kan say Munyano. Ye pata Munyano. Ni Sibiru. Na unso ho yira wo. Unyo obi a che say afede ajobro. Unya sa fight bi. Yes, go for test jai. Don't see jai. Es Munyane.
A month or never.
The friends, you're too late. Yeah, 2 years Munyano. Na fe no beti ai. Oh, enti e bra na nke say friends ya baba wa de tisimo. One if you are and actually buy, but where the overwhelming support to Nyai.
Yeah.
I want to say, different property could have said, say, never position now, but me boy, just Obano could do something. Unless a Kwame and Nami at see a may Kwame the own you can't want some if I show money how now. And I only am to it. Actually, every school you count. Hand to mafia. Kwame ni yasi bi akaseti ya wo eh
school e ma ko ese video
edi kwame nanka want to obey yesi bible say osiesie ponkoma okunda
yeah ndudi ferade
osiesie oban say niemi yeni misika madwenkyere nbibi ekonomom ne ba baabi a na mo akwakohyem nanka oban ko ya ke ba yi ukwado no nyam na ekosi ewu ba no ene hwe Dr. Dubois ben kwa me abeta Dubois eseme tuni e papa twene so nyina se bia no se bi ni film bi aka ho wanyo bi background no Dubois no free okra be hwe ni miru ansa na yebisa na se ansa bi de adwuma man se o kya bi o be but hwe papa modern obo wo party nim anka na be isa so nkwan kakra kwa me wodi party mudi o kya bi okre bo wasanyi ne de MP mana wadwuma wo ye no ni fika ho pa asai ade no
was a general I told visual na you from Pong but visual no hwe bra wa bre e wo mu ma bre ye mama ministerial appointment menya police ni menya VAT bi atenam
me akwa bi ka ene ene aye twa abo so to asre etwa asre ni abasan kwada ni ade ye na acho bi say na class 4 ni ade ono so ka class 4 de na kadaba ni kwame
aso fi Germany ba
kwame adwuma ni die nimu an kwada mu mpanifo e driving Wowi oko chade o kwanse a brisek tech oko to teacher bia o chawa de wa o de be din komo kra bia e fini kakra bi e bia moko bank ne bia SY yes abo yenkoi but o ye bibia ni de beto ho driver ni akwa that just kwame I did this washing base to cab in meto nya licenses or beto the ball station oh for some corner abo bre yan kada so ni agent station they don't respect because oko renew license yan fa bibin mo so chese watch that what I'm cracking it's the amount of respect. Person shower no obey us, how obey ordinary way. Look at what it is. And he said, Prof will send me, no bomb me brave. Near may ye be a go pump my ye. Say me common name, hey, may the walk co. And Kwame, and they will ministerial first one. And I know Jetro pay yet, yes, Muslim and Candidia to take idea baloo who yes, no, Jetro Kwame, yeah, way, Jetro patrol near the patrol tonight. Kasa ni obeka ni Yakobɔ de adomo no eni ebisa say what are you noted for period yemra impotama Kwame udru ba bi te say Kwame Kwere say abria they are noted for carvings dua dwonfo nya wono me kese ba omne ahwe ase enya dwom ya pitro no na sane mo sana asase ku pese o ye na boa emabu wo manfe na ehun say ba vegetables a eye manfe people say akropon for instance Kwame what are we noted for what are we noted for Kwame do you know what we are noted for menchiro
oh yeah
so wo ko abrochire ko bi to say maybe am boxing dey say
Las
Vegas
who said na ye as at time down to say a desert and a young guy be kotoye and now this kakra and no nyasi kana pesu na ho ba America pa na Kwame upe gentra bra pa ni chacha ni ani jemu ni je hotel kese na Kwame hini di no Las Vegas what is kalbe ko ba sapa I say Ghana manager for becho say do feed that mema iskapa Jordan ma be save iskapa they put am here get am there feed that mema is come account was say Kwame di Kwame da ko pianso na do Jordan Alice Brown Agatha why comfort can be good I shift to
But Jenna Akropo is noted for one thing. Be an as well.
Akropo is noted for one. Ideally, Kwame Education Hub.
Yeah.
And our Christianity. But where are we now? It's why perhaps Nigeria originate take over. Okay, because of Ojana, honey, Akropon and they do Ojana, but the whole Akwapimo Ojana, mewa.
Yeah.
It can we package it well, and then see say entertainment is also becoming part of our portfolio. From kindergarten to masters. It tells us education. Maybe why I may pressing praise for more near fa a certain pilgrimage.
Okay.
And can't praise for Amnakra and Rebbe Afibia.
Okay.
What's that 20 bit me about? Baby, I see about 10 years. Be the whole praise for you now, Creba. How much has it?
Yeah.
Because of a proposition T. Synod, honey, Beno. Near Poyampo, when they start here, near the California for money at the reason by a young day. Near Qua 1 day for pilgrimage, sightseeing Qua, and Tebeko Patmos, Yabeko Grace, Yabeko the first chapel, which is Christ, Yabeko Kusian, dear Fabro, Fonohonia day, a dancing a tenant, Yabeko PC, Yabeko Bassimitry Cemetery. Yes, they can decide to bring revenue. As a Profako party program, paraphernalia, senior the 2 come near the year when you this year. And they will sell printer and stuff. Education, religion, and then I go for free. I could make a then I'll come and China is a good now. I come make a. It's a present for you to say, Ghana and Canada soon in a day and only ha. We are good. For a Bay College, any PC, sometimes any bay. Yeah, for a bay near here. Never appreciate that, but I'm for Kwame a dining project or and you grow. This is what we are noted for. Can we grow it? Can we nurture it?
But young people went from fashion.
I agree. I agree.
Because we share.
My man share Afro the designer. Boaseto. Fantastic guy. Black. Me am designer black. Fantastic guy. Casket. Kwame, mention them. Akusiansa the money answer. Kwame. Oh, me say, hey, I want to know when I have also the Akusiansa the money the answer and Kwame. They microphone. Kwame, o microphone. Madum no okainte Akusiansa no give me measurement nyene. Akusiansa no. Kwame, why say galam say for na e di confusion ba ni bi o.
So say me, oyi Akusiansa no.
Akusiansa no dey ma no ahye no e kete dadam ha. Na limezi makiti Kwame.
Limezi ndio man bi.
Eko yie ma.
Abrempon ko good trial. Abrempon trial.
Abrempon ye Afro.
Ono ani Afro na me woni Afro designer.
Nini aketwa.
Ono so designer.
Yes.
And ye go designers near more obi say me offer Sami fum dia. Kwame so dwudwa tare hye wa.
So one say share one.
Na robe na ye dey yes sa robe ni ade no. Aso for robe no. Sami fum.
Aja bebre na wo ho mo kro mo mpam o. Bebre na wo ho mo a omo mpam.
Efre tailors enfi.
Bebre na wo mo a omo mpam na ojiji na na opam ba ko ma wa.
Na mama ya say ye ka designer man na kwam so ya we. Ko for what to wo ni ade.
So wes mu nyina pam ade so wes. O say mu nyina.
So wes ayi print ni ade.
Ai so wes mu nyina.
Meaning say anka ha ye wo.
Obede na wan wi but no de. Obede wan wi but no de. ACP Master Nane
Sister Joyce money ade ya.
Madam Crawford.
I think that fashion I what can say. And they now no o Kwame ayi. Na yes be bia omo de fashion school ko si wo manfe no. E bia space nti. I think say se Kropon. Manfe ayi cozy ridge opposite.
Yeah.
Sadani so say honorable Dennis Miracle what you for fashion fair ko say mom say omo fanye
and I can you more no.
And that's the more you. And Kwame can say kese Kropon fitam ha. E ho so say omo ya I think say the boy can religious affairs Kwame entertainment and then fashion. Kwame entertainment Kwame fashion Kwame be to their boom. Yeah fashion week bi ha. Fashion na papa dey say ayi artist extraordinaire Safori. Ebe ye bi wo
yeah.
Reginess ha or be pretty them say Reginess nano.
Yeah.
And he say some man some or you coupon ni ba. The
Safari.
caliber of people he brought.
I'm Safari.
WWW Safari
Safari.
Safari BBB art to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
House of Safari.
House of Safari, yeah.
And Kwame, the art back to from and come say $5,000,
$5,000,
$10,000.
Yeah.
In the kind of people he will bring to town. Eti, what are we noted for? What are we noted for? A brew.
Come here, Chemi. Why?
What are they noted for? A brew. What are they noted for?
A brew.
Kwame Tihei, my mom. When you get to Coco, they're noted for transport. In the way Tiku Nikas, Coco, Utoka Nema, and Fafo.
Transport me a few. Man be.
Yemra and Priso. Then to transport and trading.
Poku transport.
Folk transport Kumasi.
Kumasi, okay.
Yeah, Kwame, a former joiner and price in the better no which was and price will move for you. Me papa crack a bida. My grandfather say, Miss Anson, as I said, I come by obey your phone would make for us. Oh, all mine, but as a partner and price will move for you, make my remember. And price will move. I don't make a child over papa the cancer. It's true, my grandfather told me. What's the price of market in full year, which my remember. Yeah, there were times where they full kakra, your plot we are never been built by the man near call weekends and just to and then come here where here weekend here. But on a typical day, your chance and price will move for you, which my remember. All I'm saying is, what are we noted for?
Yeah.
And price for a trading kakra and a transport. And quite careful. Into white collar job because I'm only early touch with education. St. Peter's so many identity. Don't want to go school. A two of them is the whole Ghana ECG director or call retirement. Papa, mama, and so on. He was from Nkwetia.
Okay.
What is it? Kwame and the pharmaceuticals. Who call cash drug like the pharmaceuticals. And price for NS chemist. East Cantonment near they are all be determined. They are from a price. But they are from a sima.
Okay.
Then you come to maybe Sabipon, then to ties, car tie, or Bruno tie. Home use ties, or couple so can be phone about 80%, 90% of the
Okay.
Okwasaka, then to Kwame, coast there into a spare pass, Korea, not New York, Asaka for Korea business, Korea cars, Korea parts, a Asaka for Juma. Typically, call umpire, one pie. Into me kofa query crab as of pam debi ediensa omo wa no de hammer kitu bi pa no ma pai o ma dwom ye na abo ene sa as paper sa dwuma yi
Na papa.
o ko tafo de into costos.
Okay.
Costos princess costos no mo ne kwame ayi hardware tafo dwuma no na education because omso omni abrofo no di ehyiamu ntem obi se bukuru a hona de kunu I media free ho ene or the regional secretary, regional chairman, also attention and ebi so DC crowd to free ho as well. Because it's a Japan, honorable Japan. They are trying to bring up the town. Don't also school, some school a yipa and hardware. Enti krobia me fa make sure you mo ye. I'm see before a year crash juma. Crash juma any school juma because I will say it's a Krumha.
Maybe a coin.
Maybe a president for
a
president pharmaceuticals.
Okay.
And then car and trading. Kwame, I'm typically say a Krobon. President for having early stay home in terms of so. Who started KG, which maybe any masters OPP. Say PUC wall.
Okay.
He say PUG. Oh. Almost technical schools, Aptech, Abu Train. And then just mention them. All we are saying is we should be noted for something. What are we noted for? What are they noted for? Akugwa konfano chief here gas konfano chief here nipa do say na eba ho.
Yeah, okay, but me come on. No.
Apred. What are they what Adukum noted for?
Yeah, but me come on. No.
Yenko apred. Yemra. Ma fenana na is 25,000. Mambo na nyino fanko dua. Kakra be na mani free nkran eba agboglushi ene ayi makola ebefa vegetables or that's what they are trying to do.
But Chairman,
Monochrome, what are they noted for?
The boy hasn't been fair because when we crop on the aka, say about culture, about entertainment, but on one chrome baby oti. Hono wo me wa. Wo afraid.
How much massive?
Yeah,
how much massive? Yeah.
How fear afraid?
Yeah.
So
afraid but trying to chrome 24 years.
And time ufi what 24 years.
Yeah. Kwame, me say, General Khan.
Noted for.
General Khan, eba minti kanomano.
Oh, nah,
Yeah.
but you know, to my way.
Oh, Kwame, everyone yet like to say, do chrome say, eba.
No, I prayed it.
Oh, a pretty.
That's your hometown.
Police. Yeah. Yeah, police ejuma.
The first IGP.
Mr. Community. Eba a high
Freddy.
I pray for couple. Na say you buy ohini ba akokra no muku so send the chrome the operation chrome the no obi ko 2256 so the all ka say mo so mo boto o ka no
Tutu pay.
Ayo to you want to choke back choke the one go ayo
aye chile for
The hunting.
yeah hunting yeah
Mami auntie get benefit ba na no obi ko 2256 so the any ka no etu obi ba chrome akra etu ato apre de mienu 2 the same be 2 dada my
So what and I was what 24 years.
Kwame me dia smoke say ekofo de be wano de come
and I say bread na police ko
ni ba ira ko
ene nyum enyum o ye wo eyi ofofuru ho inti ba nyum to
a twam ya kado mi so nyum bia
Like the last 20 years, when you're musician, we have you order.
Hey, I think I sing.
I don't say,
Oh, just one got you know. I think I sing.
I used to I don't pay. Ya Sebe Efri Kumase Abakoba Himfi. I was good morning. Yeah, good morning to thank you very much for being part of us this morning. Kumase to say I don't pay. Kofi and this is the treacherous discredited President Nana Akufo-Addo and Bawumia-led government is disastrous, monumental failure, and yet some gullible, suffering, and hungry NPP communicators still have the temerity and the testicular muscles to defend these indefensible, disastrous failures. How can any serious president keep such Galamsey report over for 2 years and pretend to be fighting Galamsey? Never again to this wicked, headless, corrupt nation wreckers. My regards to Johnny Vance, Kumoji, PC Akropon North, and Chairman of Usu Ampofo. Okay. And Abuaji Enoch said, good morning, KB. I said, good morning, Mr. KB. Keep up the good work. It's your guy, O-Level, the swimming pool, Grandmaster watching you live from Kwesibia Hotel. Come on to the whole world. More fire. And all the way to Swaba. It's just about 21 minutes after 9 and 97.1 FM. And I pay your Kwesibia Hotel. Na yakra Mame Francisca ono ne CEO no anapai Ma Francisca oten ka ya mo achimpo mu today na enkoma manager is it Edem anapai nso ya ma wachi ne adwumefo am Kwesi Bia Hotel nyina ene de maboa ama ya tede ya nie bia se ma be ka ho na ne mekoso kama luxury rooms na prices are very unbeatable facilities ne de ene open maximum comfort eno ane Kwesi Bia Hotel boku apamamu udru Barbados teacher chain ni finechi hwa na ene ekoso na no mu bia no ne ade ma teacher kwetena ho oje frama otie nwom kakra fa ne minim tine ukofa ndi ya advert say ekoho ne boy kotsem reference mu di di advert ade me vie ni wan ko na say nei send ma minim say obetran potam be na table hobe program na nwom na kwachiri nti ya no afre potam for maintenance na yenye ni kakra entine omnyina agye atum say ade ofia eye entine Kwesi Bia Hotel and the premium suite, junior suite, the Lost Plaques and a deluxe mini ni nyina dia ba. And nyina eba with DSTV na oko junior suite na ye mini bar. Premium one dia uti na obi nkyere wo. E chese bi bia bi wo ho and you person present eba na onye ba bi tena wo person oche hene osante hene obi bi oba bia no ba bia tena and dia upe hotel wa kwapma mu ha wo ba bia ombetena na ye ho ye ma personal butler na wahye wonsa oka no ahwie utiminya kakra kita kwa medu ho na anu ada mampibia sasi wo hwe nim nema kokoyie pe no be kona ohye mu morning coat ni bi mo mpabo ni bibia na ene kwa medu nema ga bi fancy kunash ase kropo fo hiyo kunadu ya do ne de kwa kropo kunash kropo mo ano pe kunash one di miss kwa pemo no made in one no and we move on kunash kan be trimo ja me de ko kan ma no twenu kunash no we did birthday kwa me de to say kunash you Mo de yedi mo. Ejana fe de ka o se okoho ayo conference room open residential na asem betena ho na mo be free free aba ni nyina akwanya ho swimming pool ho na akwa o level in charge we say emu ye clean na o dware a o ma support na o guide o bibia ko kama event center so ye twadi bia political sorry anase event bi say bia refreshment anase engagement bi apacho emiem kwachiri enoa ene eho Nigeria restaurant there both local and continental. I'm say mistake comment say I'm frame me test here. Kwa ko test ho.
Dem mi ko de.
Kwa me de wa fa ho.
I'm say pa ko si na fa ho. Pa ko si oko fa bro se ni oko enkasa ho.
Kwa me yemfa ayi na adan kwa asem ne se kwa ko so no ane ya ne no ana ho de. Enya adwuma ho nyintum sa.
Nyintum. Ko si oko fa bro se ni oko enkasa ho no. Na kwa ba no eja mo ho je ya na why shout out to kakra. Enra ko de bi ba.
So ya so ko se de question.
Also eja mbajo ya na shout out ama na muti. MCO.
Abaso chairman.
Yeah, I will show.
I know me call na me appointment na me hu na e wo ho na onum age. They made a request and we gave because of the collaboration. I think that is doing well. Then you know no na kai say kwai bia ho na ya jatum na no a mampani baye kana ni osdabi. Ai na me twama na nkane ne ade nti immediately na me no ka say security for ndika bakrom ko hwe randoms mo fanko ento na mampani kwa mo kwa ya ono che ni mpani kwatena na say didi bia bi sa na mpani fotimi atwotwo route mbo rouse na je say ene kwa me ukwabmane akropon yadru enti yenkoso a na ye mo mabaso anopa Barbado Street ewakwapon akrapem haya no butu for 0303 961989 and 0200083434 but ne kwamda ko kan say oye restaurant ni choba no ade na say for the first way no kwamda kwa me testia say be emblem no untimi kan ho say bebre yes broni say the sweetness of the pudding is in the eating. I'm so what's that bro for no untimi tanka oni bi entene o say enimanium ya mu manente monka am yes ah
na che yo ya wada roma say you say le bi am ka say radio adwuma no e won tete na de sin bosumi akatia no nto yire ho a but tete won sa say nra say safuri shia oh safuri mi nchana no pay you know ne me kasa e say oba sponsor drive no na wa sheda ba personally o jim number kura wo kwa me edi ho nti me danase nti say ne aka no choba for no isi abraham na say ya friend
apart from say your phone no credit o kan no credit ade bia o mu a nipa no bitiminya aware problem bitiminya adwuma problem about one ni bia kwa me fere to me say mama say na no akrofo be yin light bitimi affecting te so come test anya bia test no because hide kwa me what are you noted for kwa me adi o de man entire na age na wa share akosu asa no
and mama no constant velocity we say dey okukuchi no wanya hwe ado ayro ho be ko
ena won so ho bia say ba fashion say e ba ne try hwe ne nemom testing so de obi ntimi
aja ababu apetition amenwe no any Guinness ne ade ba no kura road mamia na ya Guinness beer no ne ade no o ma asoro mpanyimfo bi ho no mo de test officers
say good morning KB, I'm watching you live across the country. God bless you all for your good work at the pay odeba yakabi say kwame say I am almost on kabi 0551 667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 0551 667755 no pay yanko baby bebre ejina eye say 70 ade no onsa kabi afa onsa kabi akaka tan le chewi watibi na yentimi emfa eni emu nkomo so fo wadwen bra na yentimi emwa kwame kwame so bia ba hama so anapai me ba chodi ne ba bia frefi
oh me doing the captain retired from Ebru
captain anapai wadar ma yeti o
me ma say ewo igimapa muridi ama okwapeman me say mu bisa the boy question be about Nikroma Predi. Nesre, Niamana enkoye wo, Yemen sinumun. Ebeye me dese nanka, ebetumi voice out. Ebi a no bi wo mwa bi a ode beboa mensin no. Anase kuro na yefimo no. Ba ye krakra so te se ne a ebi a kuro no wo bibia esombo anase bibia mbebun enya somfa so a ebia na obi wechi onim se sa kuro yi hiamwa but you to be voice out say oh sadi ye hia wo kuro nim ebi ni kuro nim ba wo bi say na ase you to me voice out en kandia na em say na fan baby no na ye di kuro no yambo kakra ana fi mesre yempen for no so say yere fight galamsi nti ya ho nsam nso ba na nwa eye involved sa galamsi no aban so be hold one responsible because tax or the ato Ghana man nyina so nti se obi hu ebon wo sa dwumadi ni ma mesra ban say on fa ne nan si ho na ye say oyen onye na nyina ye hu say asam na okan no already so ndamase
Captain Tada Pay also yeah that was also bet me for 0551667755 and 0270191971. Come now Kabibi.
Jena Zania Captain Tada kan who call a pretty baby see akugwa de ebruwa untimi emfa wani ensimu say akropon itimi kan say fashion one of ana ade ba ko say za aduane nuanu ne ade no utimi say akropon ho omoye obetimi ade nse so nipa mienu miensa say we omoye ade ne ade yitimi bia wa ye okre fi april de eba be untimi mfa won some point ade ba ko
Edentia
minim ni ntia general first nanka bakery ena nke betumi aka fa ohwe brodo eba efi na makuapem nyina no dodo nanka fi edukrum ebi eno so ebetumi anya bakery we bi kakra na etumi aba ho no mo a na I think farming a full year no ne ade no eno dia na meka je kwa me say me o kapa eba metim but ano no ka no na ha adwen nti eno no ho no ne sa ne ma ba kon so ne say nipa no a wo mo nyame to mo nsam a komitimi abu enwuma ne ade no kwa me wo mo manager mo koe no mo ama omo koe no wo mama ti say kropon say obitimi kosua adwuma nkran na obetra na oye na adwuma no kama ye ho no say okwa ani ade a obesen aba nti farming ehwe bakery ni say nya ti say hot oven companies bi wo ho no ma ebetumi aboa na de ina etumi akonkan na aye kama because ozi woni hwa efa say obi bie shoe factory bi say na ye wo kropon yi why omu nyina grant wo say na captain Tade kan say at the end of how need o home na mo nipa na mba be ya de na nkasa omu wo infa ekropon de wetu de yensa abo nipa ba ko mienu miensa na enum so say omu ye we poultry farms ni ade omu ye okrimu poultry farm be na ho kakraka adukrom eprede wan
Kwame obi wa hamane so ba so de ba bia frefi
Tawo medindi ACP me kasa fi every station
Kobi mo anunko
yo ye baba so de aduma pa bo ye de aboa Ghana man na okuapama nyina ye kese onyame enhira mo kakra no pa me pese me ka de kan ya maka no ho ne se bi jodi se sani na wo bobo so se designers wo kropon ye kuapem ha mugu so bobo so yo ebi adikan na ye nso ye retua so na ya na me bi se dachi bi aso ye kwa yebenya ebia ma onga bedie ngachi na nka mpani atra radio station na nka onga nya bia bo wondi ana media ya na medwene ho amu se ebe yede se mebun e wo kuapem ha mpese wode wonsa ebe ye adwuma na so wo besua adwuma ne titiriu eri ntino breni do nyina aya na maboa yen na ya aboso se bibenya adwen sakra na o masua adwuma enti sa ebe to biribi no je se wuti ekuapem na pese opam wa dia je se wudi tukwan konkran na kofodia ntino aya na maboa yen emebu no afutu no eyen koso ya emra na se obesakra won adwen na won asua adwuma enya de pam nkwa na mu adwuma bia ne kondo no onfa na won hyem no nsua esan se from ntikoda se nana bia wonya na won yasi wo ma na obedi a ebedu bribi no na bia wa abre wa na se wa kokora na oni ho bio eho na ba behu se na wi aso na etefa nti ye be se bribi a mu hia mu koso na afutu no enye ekoso na mmerante ne mmabaa no wɔmpɛ biribi na wɔmfa wɔn nsa ɛnyɛ anaa wɔnsua biribi na daakye no wɔn nso no aboa wɔn chairman yɛda wɔn ase bebree
anaba Kofi Boakye yɛbɛda wase sɛ ɔno so ɔyɛ chairman ɛde fashion for anapa ɔno so KBS so no
na wo sɛ ti sɛ kwawu sɛ yɛka sɛ atadwe yɛtumi akyerɛ kuro a wopa atadwe in excess ya akre ha na kwapema bi agare ne betumi akasa bi asenema nti sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ adeɛ no bi wɔ hɔ ɛna me kata so nkane ne wɔ hɔ no gina yɛ hwɛ ɛma ne gu yɛ nkane nka wopɛ books a adukrom complete forms obenya wopɛ car batteries a adukrom anka obenya sawmill adukrom yɛ papa ɔkɔ ne professor Ferry ɔmo maame mama sawmill na nka obenya esia no then emu ne betumi de ensa esisu nti yɛ sɛ captain we de ɔda Roma yɛ sɛ bi wɔ hɔ ɛna me mpɛsɛ meka aho ɛna kakra no kwa obɛyɛ no kra no gye na obɛyɛ na emrantie hyɛ de ntɔkwa account gigigigig na asɛe gigigig na asɛe nti no ebi na eni hɔ sɛ ebi ba yɛbɛka ebi na eni hɔ sɛ na ACP kan adwuma kwa na ɔnkwa kosua ɔmo nkosua ɛyɛ adwuma kra na ɛsɛ emrantie no mmaba no nkosua ɔmo nkɔ no ɔmo adwuma no kwa na ebi wɔ hefa ɛwɔ mpɔtam a migye sɛ obi na bebue obi so bebue a obi mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛkɔ nti ebi na eni hɔ madamfo bi a na ɔpɛntɔkwa pa na miti anakwa amna sɛ ne ɔpɛntɔkwa nka me yente no yɛfa nkɔ bukom na nka bɛyɛ boxer ma yɛn wɔkre nti sɛ ɛba ntɔkwa asɛm de ɛnde nka betumi de amsa point nkuro no sɛ ɔmutumi hyehyɛ sɛ nnɛ yɛne wei kɔ akɔko ha no ampa ɛtumi ko twenkrante twa nipa nsɛm ɛnde yɛka sɛ yɛka de betumi abobɔ nkuro no yɛyɛ champions but no dano yɛ Ghana ni abrante kɔko yɛ gina dogbe ɔsɛ yɛ bobɔ no sika ɔde kɔ fie Kwame ne sika ketewa enti kenya boxers ni bi hɔ mo ho ɛden no hɔ no mo na kɔma kɔkɔ ama yɛn a kanu betumi aboa yɛn adwuma no pa de enti mfa sense sɛ baako na sa miensa na sɛ nan ɔsɛ oh sɛ me kan nyina bom sɛ adwuma bi ani wɔ first kwana boxer 2-time Commonwealth champion Tender Aye no fear predi yeah and twice Commonwealth champion Tender Aye ono na nna mu sɛ onya konti hina obedi no I nna from mu sɛ no I ande ma tuno for the member me tu for the member na oba baba yeah until no just bibia shed that any hobby afei na ya te sɛ coffee factory bi ba ene ne ma akoma mienu miensa bi yɛntumi fa yɛnsa nkyerɛ so yɛntumi fa yɛnsa nkyerɛ so yeah
okay and by the fourth one dream we should be noted for something much I say na nsi okwa pe hene corner rounds Kwame we na ma brief for the share na almost stamp here say when it come to Kwame Carvin it is them
na buri ye no
and you name me say ntwene no bi kura ho no mko share no I really say ne ayi aburi ho but unwa kunwe bi no share o say ade na she say this is what we do here this is our identity take it let's go for a cake Kwame so me say hey ni fa for so me bakery I'm go for let's cake na I'm ready
ye go to ya na
say we say bakery bi na mo ye dia
on no na me ka say enka ne no me oma minimum nyina no say they are good at that no kra no sebi je na oma wu
I want to chrome the ntwene by me wa
yeah I'm not
and yeah na brief for the sa Carvin way me ka say me compare obi dia but I want to say we baby say eya Kwame Crony say latte I think I'm no buy abenom ne niema to show ntimo so we be say be poase asene mane ayi baby ne wo ha Kwame ne wo ni fans we ko so manya e ho no say as yes so nyade some we into farming
yeah
but I be ma so showcase anything farming much
who say
and just say Kwame there should be a clear policy direction come what I say you know farming is a big deal
Gary ni de mate se Gary factory bi eba mete ya che
Kwame eba ne aba ne se Kwame eba ne aba ne
se
Lower Hills ayi kofu
o se ye kan je na mintimi mfa bibi ensi wo se wei okay yeah ni nyina o
Kwame na se the honorable mo hwe be bie kwa na to mu sa no eno ani Kwame yen konkon o you must be identified for something me I keep telling you say Well, we can say where Jadia Tonabeka, but the truth is, you and the Eka. Near Sisa, na yen sacre, boy. Yeah, baby, to say, Udo do Kroma, what do you see? This is something that is on question. Said this is a people of a serious business agenda. That is, and yet the name is Ahano. How did I be papa and see? No credit, come okay.
Maybe I see it, yeah.
I could see an assassin over here. Come, would you quap ma? And a danife. From a distance from a quap ma, Kwame, the Kua Champon, Fin, a house and Mujana, for said then is Ujo Park as well. Kwame, so make a oh no, but oh, quite Ninche was saying, Kwame, but I didn't one could send him pay. Okay, dear, Obama said, Bruni said, very imposing. It's now putty, it's down and come on. And I'm saying, a touch of the kakra. Baby, I'm the glasses being near, she say, Honey, near. Come to Munchene. Sometimes say, MP say, or no, the kakra count.
As I say, 2, 1, 2, no, see, David, and 3, or not, Nisika.
No, the glasses near, she say, oh, come fair. The opposite, any day, as so tough. On say, Hono, who do a Quamus on a bright, say, Quani Tomwa, who should pay me near there, on my zero at any morning. And almost car park spacious and security wise police ones of bar. It's a street like one way not flat like that. Guma. Okay. Over to one of it, Musebia. I don't know.
Maybe anyone to know me. Who's the police station in China? Baby, I'm not Mr. G. Ni papa first now, all my books or I think I can't keep it between the
call through from our and say you do baby. Hey, over Coca, say near Hunu. Any Canadian one dance will be no beach there. Udun kokwa abra tobacco, omudua tobacco in ray. Not na we have question and process on yan baby koyi. Not what the club would say coton no back committee now for so. One to see whole community center. Why no see a whole school and then padu di no see not their chair. Brought off for my call for Metallics. Ako so many or there or boba distilleries.
Okay.
And that corner. And that tobacco in a day, Kwame, and one restriction about your noon, is a bit the same year, and that what they are or boba distilleries. Semi so bitters, and a one wine. Never work I can't to 2 and sunny bidding. Semi so. Sunny and I walk and call no more. Oh, be dead. Kwame, Ninano, Ajumaba, or me chica, or me caught ye.
You know, what come, you're not touchy. You're not touchy. Yeah. You know, yeah. I can't fashion yadi. A brandy be share perseverance. Ukuri ni pe gua.
Mate.
Touch up ka krabi manwa.
Na Kwame.
The school.
Oba. No aba Kwame Novotes. Novotes and so na the two. Google never. Plywood. West Africa. Plywood. When we process your plywood. Or top form no. And ne man be ye ne ade akwa factory yesi baby no anua no ene adine machines go na me pani bi din komoko ni pani bi pa me money din was factory ne ton ka me tournament to because me to scan be kwa ban ho you know why Kwame
about tax
ene before scan mu bi snake for mu ayi and I'm say other was me to scan ni abusan fo ni nya be kwa ban ho so ko ni adwe kita no say me to na abusan fo ni scan dia ene aban esi ekrum yen tona mo discana ko since you are this you any kometa kwa mi scan ko busu afo am netu ase me to na scan ko onye osika ke be to ba de to scan nya be ko ban ho enye de scan be ba yenu akọ afo no period Kwame go there and see former Ashanti Regional Secretary your friend no Kendall Sewusu Bonewe we ko ni oye MC Health Secretary Rolling Time, those revolution secretary. Come check and see. No, what baby a friend no. Then Chimreku rest up. Or yeah, no ni no. Nepa ne bane Eriko Sewusu former Afran Plain South MP.
Oh, okay.
Eriko Sewusu Kwame Buffer Stock. Chief executive. Papa ni Emro Fuso Ntimrano no. Oda my metals. Me can court now we call ya. E can that dancer. And now there Oboba village. Kwame unze performances ne event rebre unkoko so Oboba village. What there ultra modern wedding. Say rallies, no at the conventions, correct? Awesome. Boy. Opposite the Yami Betche Timbers, and they also watch it. Correct, also way metallist roofing, cocoa, on how man crying, near piano on the amount. You see, come from a walking.
Come here.
And yes, sir, or Cranibia some Where books are schools or her. Class of schools, come also your books were her. Yet them and 1 year back on Nam Newtown. Your books no her. Crofobia Jumaye. Your companies are your receipts, invoices, let's talk about it. Editinamo, for baby, Nakopon, my maid, Editina, Ninkun, Eddie, any mamma Tina, Nakopon Thomas, no Mokoto, no formations, no money. That's what we are talking about. Why? When who just say books, the supply, some schools requirement, correct school crying. None any biaban at that form, and a hopeful. And a hopeful and Chilebene or warning a preliminary in Craninamu. Why?
And our stores been a walk on, she said.
If we're not a police station, then it's on. And it's you. Baby, I need a battery and a hotel. Fine, you money be a bad day. I said, and it be my need to me a battery or bread, man, if I can answer need to me a battery or bread. I do chroma. We should buy our heads in shame.
Uncompleted when our police station in China.
And I don't see a police for a police station. Aye. And I mean, sad days to come on Pajabiana, it's now what. Madam said, Honorable Gusuni contracted Sasania.
Was it contractor and back? Was it Cratani now on her? Was your farmer no moon show no who's come out to Aka? What that say? Oh, my people, and
I mean, Saturday be cat a honor one, Enclavuno, a year ministry, a goose weba. And I think, sir, and Penifone, when not name any bona, Obia, what they call for man, no be so how they are started. And none will be Kwame, and none will be Nibi, and Obia Yabia. And she said, quite what was in it must happen. It must happen. It must happen. It must happen.
And going to Jenna, Captain retirement money out because me to me from Sanchre. I've been living here for Educomita 24 years. Yeah, me who near Macacra. Send a worker, a battery factory near dear me Hunkakra. Me who, yeah, whenever say, set your walk right there, me Hunkakra. Me who,
and I said I would have formed team.
Yeah, at a film. Yeah, at a film. And I'm who Papa could be on also. The who not also is into books. And so not film we not the channel offers being Alex. And so which mean family science be supporting sending a crop in your back community and be. But so their perseverance a beco be who a man and mabba go any idea. Not as ye fat couch acra a say Johanna a Madame Fuya than a copon wing or Chremo Frano. Yeah, any idea. So yeah. Oh, whatever. So, you know, now I knew about Junior Terrell. Junior Terrell, Tiano Paya. I want Wabeja, I don't Wabeja South. MC, your friend Honorable Ufi, a your cream. Honorable Terrell, I catch Honorable say, Yan no, on one ye. I joke when I come in, young Molia, me to incre no, young Kakuya, okay. What our Roma, and Yado wants your idea, and you know, or let's say now on your name, come on, the Mijinity, or my tenanka. Oh, beautiful mark, I mean, sir, assemblyman by Quamudia was in your minion, your main cousin winner, while Famudia said, we about your mother. Now, the question I see assembly members near Bonnie, Abo, and I almost quite asked me, Nimble, Mira said, Must say. Catchis now wouldn't go. Now I go here, say that you work in a mine. When you're not canoe, you might as to say, what do you know? Me and myself. I'm in Yachi. Now, Maca Cramra. Woman was it to America. Is that?
Why?
Hey, come Jayo.
Why not?
Come Jay.
I coming to base, do mean just about 12 minutes later of our thing, and we're wrapping up the show for sports, global sports, so. Yes, sorry, sorry. I pay. Kwame, fight your uniform.
I got in for the year. Say carnival.
And can I say the coffee town back? So,
we know.
And I'm going to say, I coffee town back.
No, send them we are the dinner, Mitimo be a home into Mestre, Madaroma, Yampe Fita. Now, only sitting back with the upper near Mammy City better. Now, on time, yet young confused were bread. Mina mini. She.
I don't know. Two cozy. Kwame, here we see a blue station one.
Can't any more than you. Send a children, any more natural dinner. It was a fact time.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so by then, a children.
Oh, how?
Maybe by the name
Oh, the enemy just say, oh,
that be I know maybe I say,
ah,
and you know,
I know we do go.
you know, what that.
Ah.
Every me go your enemy just say, oh,
We have a coherent thing.
Son of a one. Such a man.
in general.
I didn't actually see.
And Roma, I said, we go fair prayer. No one was a ampa. Said my mobile phone. So photo Tanaka on party. Onya better. Net be ready. You come pass it. And the way crowd, my own in Tanka, that no matter ye seen or do, and someone shim Nanka, me Timna say, Kwame. I didn't be a couldn't come. And did near Amaya and a G a home in Nanina a star 787 hash star 787 hash. As I did unite me. I can come pa Eddie Amaya na no kwasem wom and it said and no upesi kadro bi a bebo pa dia and one star 787 hash star 787 hash and into no kwame jackpot no 7 billion na just say unya wadi na mu na say we say sika e wo ye phone no eso na what me register na what me atododo na full house 5 CDs no which me atododo bia ope to boss star 787 hash na ama akwanya na select now na say room na say what tododo bia ubedi and say anopa no obetumi anya 10,000 Ghana cedis na nyumre so anya 10,000 na ye 20,000 Ghana cedis afi raffle nkete na ho raffle nkete chop money obetumi dey amount 100 cedis 200 300 400 na dey nyatumi akonkan e dey amawo na no kwaseme wom ne say uni 18 years a otwa bia haram what I say uni 18 years na otwa bia oh and kwaru wini kwanya dey be ma the 18 19 20 21 for no ade kono na womtumi etwa bia star 787 hash na enche wo ze ka inam krom kanam kuna me boho na de na git anwum yi
Tell front here, not front answer that no so be also now be.
David o mu mentem je betwe twam kwa so hu ze mia yeah
And my mom dey could see a blue station ho be and then no.
Yeah, no my nti e be chance here e pray e wia na ko be poase ze caretaker me na me ni o ze je na me ka se media de bia me ka no kra Christopher no hwe je na wa hwe ya udi hia be ko heaven aw o hwe ya ade be na se Christopher de ho jim no nya bibi di no on fa ne ho nyim no de media ena media nti de be ka se e kan title asori o sa da no on ko asori oni sika ni bi star 787 hash buy general Johanna papa bi buy say wadi 500 cedis papa no frame me catkis o dey 50 Ghana some dey tight e kwai mi say one de ma me je be sre on fo mo hunram na udi tie nche wo ze ka ni nam krom me bom kwa me yadi bom pa soro bom ho me bom credit kan say eno an star 787 hash ade nyati me akonkan ede amawo I say change your life's story by taking your chance today and ya say the Bible must some kind no motel say me ba mam sama adwene and ya twabi ade nya bitumi akoyi ede amawo open akira kwan ya hwe ho asem nyina what's up bitumi ade nkomo ho 0272 63 64 48 0272 63 64 48 and afi agent anu mo be adwuma no obi antro 0559 68 99 48 0559 68 99 48 star 787 hash or say change your life story by taking your chance today. I didn't let me concan Eddie Amao JDK Adum Enterprise so me kan che say unya nyasika no wi a onsaka jackpot 7 billion no wi a abrabon me say wa wi fa ebo na ade ba ko a ehio de sani bia unya bia odi uti beto eni obidi eni obesha asa abrabon wa wi anenti unya star 787 hash jackpot ni wi a ni wasidan adanse woni ma nyina ye kanfo eye JDK Adum Enterprise edema o so beto ni ma nyina ho no cement iron rod nadoa iron and galvanized pipes square pipes round pipes angle pipes flat bar and feel rods ahodo nyina quarter rod full rod ni nyina no okọ JDK Adum obenya bi wo mo mind asman eye mampon tetekwashi memorial hospital ni mo ha na wono mo ebutu 0244 42 95 33 0244 42 95 33 and after 0244 857 874 JDK Adum Enterprise adanfo nyina hene baako ene no
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. Enya cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomodia the weni choma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Sambiro paso the call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. Anelfo. Almost supply a war anya. Anelfo bibi biara wupebia war building site war. Kaiser almost so dia into real estate development and so it would dino paso upejan in tempa. Wofra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Gobejo so for any job busumasi krapem. A monochrome krapem. Koforidia Asunjay Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 90 954. Book on social media handles in Ofla Construction Limited Company was Erekomo Kaiser we free delivery baby I will be and phone Yebekwa Kojawan Tempara Senya Ofla dia and there you are not building Kayo Sa Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority.
Say you can say Dominion Herbal Powder, Emma immune system, and then Quabo will nip a drum in Yedden, then the senti, what I did, Yaresun Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare fine pa, Manumbi, Tina me do one dancing, and I say, me say
Dominion Herbal Powder, dear, Ninia, and ya a month for dancing, and a bacon fool, near a year or nip a diamono, a broma drink, and a mentias so, and my Dominion Herbal Powder, and Pau de Biarada. Someone at the honor. Dominion Herbal Powder, and once one year will so share will take up. Now that trick to us. Biagumu we transeti yanum wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene diaba apemfo abaton mo manufo ene kwada woni fiedum ye ne de wonka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195 FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Usika seme nkoyi ana quick credit siasia se sika pe ennafom intina yabasa ye becheche wo yembosia bonhyehyɛ ye ho wutumi babosia edifi aso ye fee 1500 Ghana cedis edeko na nea wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia se wo betu susu wo hia awowa ye ngiseke bia nto ho wo nsanso hia se wo ne yembebue futuo bia quick credit ewo homao say ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye ejuma frase ana say your school fees ana po eyeye bosumi ejuma ye fo nso ye wo bi mamo nemum kai say ye mobosua e wo internet so afen so omantika krobia batan Bank of Ghana nsa wo dwumedie yimu enti tutumri kana freyen wo 0302 200390 ana 0596 920 833 quick credits London made simple kai say dwumedie yin hyehyɛ kakra wo ho
Okoma Radio 97.1. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Radio, number 1 by Bakope.
Yo,
Okuma Radio.
So Charles Kojofo, so he calls this one Ankwano, my very beautiful piece. I love this Frank to the core. Hey, the year, come on, send me, mommy. Remember, Beji the Dike, I am praying chat, that may be not your call. Now, any bet me be a near German tree man. What are we doing? What are we leaving behind? The legacy is saying, a DNA DJ tree man, what will be noted for? What are you noted for? Hebisa Hoy. As Alanchima, Dana Video City Alanchima, okay. Kwame Sabena, Sini, near Inanya Komono. It is Sabena Pachukotum VHS near the Kwame. Uko a film to cry. I said all the F and E, and yet I be a video deck, you know. F. Mr. Kwame, I said to for the night Cambodian and Nanya now. When I call, please keep me Kakabai.
Oh, no, call more.
Lebanon, no many idea.
Lebanon, Cuba, and Sudan.
Echo more, no many eyes with them. I don't pay.
And Sudan is a whole new that.
And
a Kenya for you when it's no.
I got to buy any bit to be a damn be a not a dear Jahan near Quadabai. And what they will be a dear Mamma Ghana, where ye at the Abuan Potom, Ukro, and near a Trima, human candle. I pay that was the Coswane. Neni no ni biano o ya na o de odo ene ankeka na o de aye akomutie mu ebeye fitiase de ohun ye but kaka ebeye anapai mami ko tete kwasi Memorial Hospital. Dr. Jewel, a very big thank you to you and na kwa me hwe me ye papa fi na sa onim di kita honi ade I think so she oyo bia Dr. Jewel menim say Jewel ni kunu dia na so no dia because o shenka wa mienu tintim nsa enti oyo bi Mrs. and nya frɛ be say oyo ba na o
da be din no na
and the Jewel akanti oyo bia and friend Dr. Jewel menim ni say name no ene bia ababa kama na ohwe kama pa sakese enko Emano.
Okay.
And
Slim.
Slim.
Okay.
We don't know. I heard that. I heard that. Kwa 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 bibi ni me na say wo kan say wo kan. Kwa ma me kolebu na me ntia ma dofu bi e wo kolebu. And pay very good morning to all the kolebu staff. Kwa me ko kolebu a.
Staff wo kolebu nyina.
Kolebu nyina me na mfo ho pa ma dofu ho pa kwa me. Kolebu the Premier Hospital. And pay ma me usua. A very good morning to you. And how are you doing today? My mum say obono body pa nurse ni papa midwife papa
midwife.
Offer jumani agori kra. So kwa mu unya enwoye nti ada okay.
So me na fa yonko na.
Da bi ompanyonko bia. O yonko ni dada o yonko fo dada ompanyonko bia ka.
Say adwuma no ya na.
Kwa me enough onyo bia oyere nwoye unire. Kwa mda.
Oni.
Ali general me worry on.
General.
Oh da be ni china.
General da ben.
Ali General.
General da ben. Say
Nanka me share this.
Ali General 2025, 26
August.
And say me 2 accident.
And so August is so to 20. June July August. I don't very very good morning to all of them. They are doing a very wonderful job in Kolebu. na da be aye bomb pa ye say as a premier hospital come hospital ye kolebu so
na staff nyina na me ho
kwa me chiom from chief executive to akwa bi o say nkofo ye calls ba ni fie said the number no be number say kakra na wo friend na one no so take it strategy bi on friend pronounce hello kolebu much okay take call kwa kolebu much kakra no be say hello kolebu much na what dey atu so eti kwa me we now for from administration to the morgue the wardly maybe akwa me na come ka ayimo ho ayi lift no kwa me kwa na lift enum abie kakra say na so ma me kwa me na kolebu kwa me ye katum etum na say cost for na bam say ye makadi kwa me
anza na we unse wo
network so enye wo mi na sabatu
anza na we unse wo so no kra na
ye asama ya to me kwa me kwa so me say baka kra fe de ebi e pe kwa me ho hare
kwa mo akoro
so ara fe chocolate bu fujira hospital omo polyclinic bi unima o kon polyclinic ne won sa na unse Gadgesburg old colonial buildings no very strong and unse Kwame sada ne nyina no aye what do we call antique niema ye de be mabu no ni si bribi na Gadgesburg enso so ni statue so fe doctors flats no mni ade Kwame it's a very big place okohwe radiology ho just Kwame enye bete enti da ma bia no ye bompa se aban be mom tika kese pa na omde SCC na no kwa ne omaya rage ni ade no kolebu so da ma bia no se aban tika kese pa na ye de emma wo mo World Health Organization ni ade ye de ho gym na go fund me ni ade for fund ni Kwame ye for me kobua kolebu na entimi enkoso a enye de adwuma wo say premier hospital no Kwame ni pay for kolebu in a day is about 1 million or more people oh my referral no money ade na unse
best ni biaba sana bosun best and sana
me sure say bed ni ade
no say wo hwe na wo de
ni nyina niema a wo say da ma bia no aban hwe na ye boa wo mu na eniema timi gina yi e de mom sans on bo mo den pa Kwame pa na em say nyuma ko ni bia boa wo mu ko hwe renovations a nyuma ko ni bia ye ashfom no money ade na MDS Lancet ni ade I think say ombe hia moa abre nyina no omo hia emoa na enema timi akokama ede ama wo mu tana bai no ne enkra ye de kwa wo be chi obi a cha ba ko mienu ne enko
oh minchi so what you call staff nyina de minchi obi a because what you staff nyina ntinanka what you already yes ma minchi a Freeman ajima menu o ADB Adabraka branch minchi no pay na minchi a Dennis opare edi unso ADB Adabraka branch minchi no pay minchi a big afro and afin zero asantu no pay minchi a mo papa na minchi a Ghana man joke up man e kopo man ya minchi obi no pay the boy so which ya
ma chana ma minchi a sisi afi dodo na friend no mama Charlotte answer awo abrew asisi afi anase mama shati anopai ye channel and so we can yentim se na ehia na jode holiday ne fi onem ze kwa me up and down ne 1 or 2 na kwasi de twa me ne birthday
say
mama shati ma shati anase opa bet friend mama sisi afi anase mama Charlotte
mama shati no ye
guy say am woka konash
na le bubo ma
emu se bebre
yeah so obi aye no so onim
baby I na ya ni chake se man na birthday Sunday no very special day for her very wonderful woman oni ni shia Kwame na futuo ne se no si donipa no anabai se sefi ya chiao Yakopon koso nya okese Kwame
aya anano mesesam kakra meko Ring Road Central
Accra
Prudential Bank abranti boy friend Charles Mafo
wamano kakra na
otai etie pa na muso enipa enipa pa je ena assemblyman incoming adwumawura
me amenu akokusa for
Safori
na akokusa for
na Lampard nso ho ti mehye senia mechia no saa anti Safori mechia no one Lampard
Lampard kan so we four
aje mese ma hye nchia no
mese ho na o menya kwa bosa ho na teacher Buadi
Emmanuel Buadi
teacher akoto
vice president any person na be
Lampard na o yes store wo Abru station ho no ana ono ye foforo
ani Mario
Dabi maroon. Ya maroon na mobile money.
Lampard wo ai boaseto.
Na wana ba ko ye store wo Abru station wo. Sa store na esa ho no. Store na esa ho no.
Lampard.
Onu kita di bokta nickname bi sa. Onu so ko bia na wasi for me ka zo for no. Ma cha say si for.
I go to before.
Ma tunu for.
Attention wana.
Dabi me kad na me ka kire ho. Just say osi form na na nemre so ins ana no ka kire say time so enya botare.
Ti icha Safori icha mo Lampard ne ajabu e de mo mba ni obi fantastic. Na me say me gidi say Sabre de Safori ne bre yesre. Say do one more yekoto sre.
Mass brain so no on Safori am say week him ya no mass brain or abuaso kwap man. Bushy areas no any baby I gidi say tonton money ade how no akwa ko spray ho nyina ma say on say mo ai come up and
as we campaign one in such a way say enche na PC any ayi tokrom ho no Salem school tokrom ho no baby kokoro ana wonde ko si was to ho no say honem say last hour no dey ba honde oya no credit kwa me ba ko pe no credit ba ko pe obi oye business or pie my Suzy.
Yes.
And so it is so Safori as no yes I don't know.
Yes, true.
Because na pon na bi o kwa phobia cause or kwame. Wa ko tesi wona we.
Mehu.
Wa from a bit.
Mehu na how you playing do.
Wa from a bit see. O beti bra ko inside o kwa.
Na ko
the boy no krokro. Rose wa ko no rubber no. Na ko je house. Osofo.
Ma ko je dia ba. O kan na agodwa sem ba kwa ba. Se me ko pie bi so. Me ti wodi me hwa se. Osofo na Guinness mi enu. Hey. Efe me mami seja.
Guinness here dro.
Ya me asu yen kamo.
Guinness here dro.
Ya. Hade ya shesha. Na say.
Ana be ya me asu ji.
Ezi ya hade ya shesha. Dro Guinness. Ezi eja se ma she no sana mi twam ko. Eye everywhere. Eye Sam Yuma.
I'm say honorable come to Fede am say me running in here o. Am say running in here market ori ade o.
Tofe untouchable o.
Kwame am say running in here o Kwame. Come to fe.
Still no open no.
Oh,
Tofe untouchable.
Ebenezer Asante Kamponsu yenchi ana chama.
Obi Tofe.
Kofi Asante.
Obi Tofe.
Tofe no de.
Come to fe.
Tofe guy o.
Honorable Kofi Asante so and so I'm the friend of the radio, a very good friend. O ha bo no drink ni ade Kwame. Also so your bon pay ma say unwie wadwuma person to asi. Obi person no kobia no. Anopai etufu no enti Kwame. Na no you can say etufu untie. Nipa be one na so den
no timi so
da form team na fe do wo na so come afọ ka se si o e ma ti de why we go
na the everyone so Sam Yuma chairman Sam Yuma ono ultimate investigation kakra fa no be can say you good 95%. I just say I say timi bam
na Kwame Perry how dey ko say
Kwame kasa apart from adwuma me hu no nti na insurance na yakọ
waje adwuma ai
okay okay nti me hu nti me
okwe political agenda nti odi atọ
okay hold on say kwan na ekoso na akofo no chi dan so ekoso Kwame Perry peso aso wono kwan na ekoso na akofo no chi
ala honorable yes Kwame so be kwan si jamanya dey post na
o say obenya si cause dinner o hwe 2024 campaign mbe de o say hold on na manfo so nya kakra o mbe de ntino minyini na mo on try come on homodia me dey somebody can say bugabo nti asem man gina nti amen
ko ye besi so anke hye o man panifo kan what da
ba je you mate
ukoji bia ye hye nsanfuo ya ma akro kakaka nsanfuo so ogalo mu ma ye hwe half amount nya se ne ogalo no masana ye hwe du half ya ma half okro na free half ne basro nyina da ho onum wie ya no de akoso mam kakanka no scratch ye besi so a
anke hye o ma
ke hye o ma kire se space hom kran ke de bi kan ho space nim hwe man be ye ma no mi abaji bi kan ye besi so anke hye o ma ano akoye sen kore ma electronic kakaka ai anani ya
police station executive ya
na kroni mu anom ne be ma o
nse general ti say
me kwame afom ye de wo afom ma no
ma hwefom
afom ti say
afom nye
kwam so be obepulu
so oka nse nipa obi age ne ho di kakra obi age ne ho di kakra mo CDB ya metie me se me no be di nkomokra na ya bobi obanyi kwadwo kire de na ya twetwa bia ya me botie o se be ma bia adwamanfo kakra ai Wangaze bema bia ɔse bema bia bedwamfo kakra na bi die na buru bi die so enti no mehwɛ fam no onipa no ka kyerɛ no so a ɛya de obɛgye de nti ɔnkɔ na yɛde radio na beta na echi ne de mpabɔ so ata echi ɛde ama no so ɔte ase nti I did de una mi che de hu ye mate se Charlie
ebe so si form
ɔkɔ mi che de hu ye mate se Charlie be ko na ebru no uyi Sam Yoma de mate se obi si so person ba ne ade ebru asem man ba akopɛ omunyama Sam Yoma na Sam Yoma nkɔ
on incumbent no
there be incumbent ne ye eyi wura uku oku anya nkɔ bio
ebru na okay oh ebru na say oku nkan bi anche no o si fam
oku si fam ai
de me friend no one is on si form
ai
is o si form akɔ dey
oku se wa yan adwuma
mfi ahi wa kɔ terms ahi
be se mienu ni mienu suni mpre ni suni
ejidi majuma da me ne be kasa no be say dent no si form no so si form na say I didn't can form your man no oku
ma yema Sam Yoma nkɔ
Sam Yoma
so Sam Yoma so yeah okay dan nche o chia me kura chese ampa pero o ba chia me dia agenda o ba chia me munya kura me ka se mu ye ba Sam Yoma de ye obia chese gena mane ma me bi din ko se sa asem to na obomoden ko Sam Yoma ba bia moa obia obepe de aboa na watumi ohwan ha ho no obeboa nti onipa sa no ipia ne kwa ban mu a ebe ye nti yesra bru Emma yesada yensayem se eya amada roma abaton dusu sa assembly member for aba no a ye ti okoma so na ye ka Sam Yoma omhu ne mobo na wonto aba no emfa ema no chairman Sam Yoma na no pemi mfa nchia so ma chairman ayete ewo eye ebru one abusuafo no enyina mi chair ebru president nyina chairman mo kafo ene maase antiabra na ne titi ade uzi ahoden ba bibia be kama chia
I ever see an pay me the Kofi Anson bar for better from me KB. You first like see my boy.
Mr. Meko we know. A present is a Canadian eba. But I miss me a police station. Yes, 500 the woman.
I said, you blend upon a pomo boy and Ziggy, DJ Donzi. Now, Ziggy, I don't say, do sound of a social day.
Ziggy.
Yo, my mixture what for any
about a man for feeling a pop.
We are never one of stars.
Dano Ziggy, obituary says, so woman or dog programmer. No,
I think is unexpected.
Yeah, you see,
no, so if you was for my mixture. What for? And I'm saying, I don't sexy. I
go a word in Incomono, word and even will be a Pompesi. Sunset, almost comment a man for the buy. Na Niakobane say, who said Papa no Kwaji, cast 30,000 Ghana cedi. Only a word, no. One can't generate. Jomunia Sicano, and a car and a baby scanning in our minutes on one review. Obama say any more bra. So, Sika. Kan kwa amure wedding na nyamu ka so kai ha ya
no ba team na ne de
so bi sakwesa
na obi ka kire me se e ma pesuku ma pe ne ade wo ye je ade ha wo de wo se ayi ya ka se hey ene sika sabri he ka de ade be ma si pesa nyu ma me sika ne be ma ye mie ye ni sika ne be ma
nti na be kwa ko
uni ka sha wasem so esu sika sa wasem so
okoda na ase no ne papa akofa nema ba be ma ne ho ya akofa nema na ba be ma ne ho se onye ne obe ware 10 million se be ma no boka omo ano no ntua ka no ntimi nka se ntimi be ma ne mo ebra
kwa me de be se Jacob obo ache be pie efie ha o china ye ka mo se obra kwantu na be ba so o china Jacob obo a ye ne abrewa ye maame o ye retired educationist obi a wache nkrofo ade dinimdie ache nyo obi no nimdie a otimi afoforo che say atweke ba dan ke ne master ba kuma sofa wuku na tibia bi nti ebetunde na sheda na ye ne ye maame abomodian aye sa interview no entechen Jacob obo a eno na amafo enhye ne so emfa emayen san se nsakra kakra ba nyina eye ye mami ena ebeye sa dwumadie no nti amafo enhye ne so emfa emayen se ochina ebo no nwotwe pa minute aduananum 15 minutes as a quarter to time ni pa no bia ahye no se eno na ye ne beye mepedi no na mede amamo na de aye ehon kaibo no where is this one Echanya kopon boa yene ye mame Madam Matilda Ansa ye mame Matilda Ansa retired education is wachade odin krofo aye dwuma watete krofo nipa bebre na fa ne nsem Chanya kopon boa obetna ase na obra kwantu no ono so aka na num asem na brabo mu nsem mo amu said master wuku ofa wuku artwork na ba ne nsem fa chen nanka nhye no but baby nti ayesa esakraye no enti Chanya kopon boa Madam Matilda Ansa eneni ebedi sa encommon obra kwantum obetsa kongore menedi encommon ya fa zaka sema ya papa ntu kisidu board chairman executive producer e odwumade ne ho a obono modern boy bebre olumai anopai olukwa no funu olumai enye yi o mante ko dimbi dara fa ya fa zaka se no grandpa oboy pa anopai mama ya so tienka enchane bi encommon na area mama ya sorry so there na siso bonso anopai
mama bo na won na do ma heni we no LGBT cause declare your stance so declare your stance on LGBTQ+ before seeking political office
Kwame yako anopai amachide de ni we o say Jemi ye ni mobra ni pesika na sika
ene bema
anopai money swine sky which is the idea we say where say Kwame am I kukudrofu
am I the whole world
am I
kukudrofu you are seeing na am I kukudrofu omun so hwe nso
me say Kwame bema o ye ma asem no okoda ne ge nchen a oda ho nyina na o tenkura say time be by 4-5 no ba ne ba oba ko be man cho betimi ada Kwame wonya na no da ho
ana emema nkura akwa omo kwa mpratwe asum bebi asum won fa boba no de asum kwa no pe
na Kwame emai ushanda krona pe ne oti ase no betimi akọ fie ne
ne no ano omo hye so ne Jesus there is God
araba ye de masi